Judge, if you're okay with this, I'm Looks like we have everybody here, so we are going to go ahead and begin.
Judge,
Yes.
we're missing 3 guys from building 4.
Okay, I take it they're going to be here very, very quickly.
I hope so.
Me too.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Okay, for those of you who are appearing virtually, please remember that all devices need to be muted until the specific case is called. If you're just observing because you have family members or loved ones, that honestly does not give you the right to be heard just because their name is called. You certainly can observe. But if you unmute your device and you interrupt the court proceedings, you will be ejected from the court proceedings. So please just remember that and keep your devices muted.
Para las personas que están compareciendo virtualmente, por favor recuerden que sus aparatos tienen que estar sin funcionar del micrófono solamente cuando se llame su caso. Si son seres queridos, pueden presenciar la lectura de cargo, la primera comparecencia, pero no pueden hablar. Ciertamente pueden observar, pero no interrumpan estas diligencias. Si ustedes interrumpen, serán sacados de estas diligencias. Así que recuerden, por favor, de mantener sus micrófonos desactivados.
If you could please stand to be sworn in.
Por favor, pónganse de pie para ser juramentados.
Raise your right hands.
Raise your right hand, please. All right.
Levanten la mano derecha.
Hey, stand up,
Swear
man.
or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. If so, say I do.
You know that, she can know that now.
Juran que dirán la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad. Contesten fuerte, por favor. Yes, yes.
All right, you may be seated.
Pueden tomar asiento.
This afternoon, we're conducting first appearance hearings. There's 4 purposes for each hearing. First, I'll advise you of the charges that have been brought against you by the state. Second, I'll ask if you'd like a lawyer to represent you. If you've already retained your own attorney, please advise me. If you'd like to have your attorney present with you, we will attempt to make those arrangements for you. If you want a lawyer appointed by the court to represent you, then I will ask some questions pertaining to your financial situation at the defender's office. Please be advised there's a $50 application fee for applying for those services. Additionally, the court may require you to pay a reasonable value for those services. Third, I will determine if there is probable cause to hold you for your arrest. That means there are reasonable grounds to believe that a crime may have been committed and that you are the person who committed the crime. The fourth purpose for this hearing is to review your bond status. In some cases, the bond set for you through bookend might be too high, and in other cases, it might be too low. Each of you has the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you. There's an assistant state attorney here in the courtroom with me listening to everything that's being said, and it is all being recorded. So please do not say anything about the facts of the case or the crime itself. The questions I will be asking you pertain to whether you want a lawyer and to review your bond. You may refuse to answer those questions. You have the right to communicate with your family, friends, and with your attorney. I ask you to keep these rights in mind, and when your name is called, please step forward.
Buenas tardes. Esta tarde llevaremos a cabo audiencias de primera comparecencia. Esta audiencia tiene únicamente 4 propósitos. Primero, les informaré acerca de los cargos imputados en su contra. En segundo lugar, les preguntaré si quieren un abogado que los represente. Si ya contrataron uno, déjenmelo saber. Si quieren que su abogado esté presente con ustedes, ustedes tendrán que hacer esos arreglos. Si quieren que se les nombre un abogado para que los represente, entonces yo les haré algunas preguntas en cuanto a su situación económica para determinar si llenan los requisitos reglamentarios para la asignación de la oficina de abogados de oficio. Por favor, tomen en cuenta que existe una cuota de $50 por esta solicitud. Además, puede que el juez les ordene que paguen una cantidad razonable por estos servicios al finalizar su caso. En tercer lugar, determinaré si existe causa razonable para su arresto. Esto quiere decir determinar si se cree que un delito haya sido cometido y que ustedes son la persona que cometió un delito. El cuarto propósito de esta audiencia es revisar el estatus de su fianza. En algunos casos, la fianza que se fijó a través de Booking puede que sea demasiado alta o demasiado baja. Cada uno de ustedes tiene derecho a permanecer callado. Cualquier cosa que digan puede ser usada en su
What up,
contra.
what up, what up?
Hay un fiscal
How's it
en esta
going,
sala
Super
quien está
Bowl?
escuchando todo lo que
Queen,
se dice y todo lo que se dice está
Destiny,
siendo grabado,
if
así
you
que
will.
por favor no digan nada en relación a su caso o el delito mismo. Las preguntas que yo les haga son para saber si quieren un abogado y para reconsiderar su fianza. Ustedes pueden rehusarse a contestar estas preguntas. Tienen derecho a comunicarse con un familiar, una amistad o con su abogado. Les pido que tengan estos derechos en mente y cuando se llame su nombre pasen al frente. Gracias. Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's get ready to
You're welcome.
Ken
rumble.
Gonzalez.
What up, my lights peachy? What up, low key? What up, Summer? Is YT not working? Of course it's working. It should be. I just got it up and running.
Device unmuted. Check Ken
Unmuted?
Gonzalez. All right, sir, you're here on a charge of no valid driver's license.
Señor, usted se encuentra aquí por un cargo de no tener licencia válida de manejo
And failure to register motor vehicle.
y por no registrar un vehículo motorizado.
You have an attorney?
¿Tiene usted un abogado?
No,
No.
Would you like
No.
one?
¿Quisiera usted uno? ¿Quisiera un abogado, señor?
si es necesario.
If it's necessary,
Of
yes.
course it's
That's your
necessary.
decision. You tell me.
What up, Dan?
Esa es su decisión, señor. Dígame usted.
Sí,
Yes.
No sé.
You
I
currently
don't know.
employed?
¿Actualmente tiene usted trabajo?
I
Sí.
don't know.
Yes.
And how much are you making a week?
¿Cuánto dinero gana usted a la semana?
What up, Candice?
son 1200.
¿Como 1,200, dice usted?
Sí,
What, a week?
About 1,200.
I'm definitely in the
Do you
wrong
have any
line of work.
dependents?
¿Tiene usted dependientes a los que mantenga?
sí,
Yes. ¿Cuántos?
uno.
One.
And you make 1,200 a week?
¿Y dice
Damn,
que gana
1,200
1,200 a la semana, señor?
Sí,
a
Yes.
week?
Okay, you're not going to qualify for the public defender, so you're going to have to hire an attorney.
Señor, no llena los requisitos para un abogado de oficio. Va a tener que contratar un abogado privado.
I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause.
Previamente ya revisé el informe policíaco y encuentro que sí existe causa razonable.
I have a bond of 500 on each count.
Tiene una fianza de $500 en
Prezi,
cada uno
thank
de
you.
los cargos.
All right, thank you, sir.
Gracias, señor.
Last name is C-H-A. Clarify the name. Last name is C-H-A-C-I-N.
Thank you, Judge. I spoke the line. Sure. Are you doing this
No, I don't have authority to do that. Lizzie Cuesta de Armas.
¿Qué?
The Armas.
Cuesta de armas.
Cuesta de armas.
He's approaching.
Se acerca.
Come on down. Come on down.
Sir, you're here on a Lee County habeas for second-degree murder.
Oh, snap.
Señor, usted se encuentra aquí debido a una orden de arresto procedente del condado
There we
Lee,
go.
que es por un delito
Hey, what up, chat?
de asesinato en segundo grado.
Lux.
Burglary with assault or battery.
Allanamiento con acometimiento o con lesiones.
A Hardy County warrant for
What up, Pretty?
resisting officer, flee to elude.
Una orden de arresto del condado de Hardy
On a chase?
por resistir a un oficial de la ley y por huir para eludir.
Agua.
And local charges for aggravated battery on law enforcement officer.
Tiene cargos locales de agresión física con agravantes a un oficial del orden público.
And fleeing disregard for safety of persons and property.
Y tener caso no tiene ningún respeto por la seguridad de las personas o de los bienes materiales.
It looks like he's
Do
holding
you have an
his,
attorney for your local charges?
¿Tiene usted un abogado para sus cargos legales?
No.
No.
You like one?
¿Quiere uno?
no.
Sí.
Yes.
Are you currently employed?
¿Actualmente tiene trabajo?
No.
No.
Going to appoint the public defender to represent you.
Hey, what up, Vic?
Voy a nombrarle al abogado de oficio para que lo represente.
I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do
What
find
up, Henry?
probable cause.
Previamente revisé el informe policíaco y encuentro que sí existe causa razonable para su arresto.
State, you wish to be heard?
Fiscal, ¿quiere hablar? ¿Puedo acercarme, su señoría?
You've got mail.
Sí puede.
Your Honor, this is a motion for pretrial detention.
Su señoría, este es un pedimento para
Ay, qué
detención
piadosa,
previa al
señorita.
juicio.
Your Honor, find this motion to be legally sufficient.
Si su señoría determina que este pedimento es legalmente suficiente,
State would request a pretrial detention hearing be set
la fiscalía pedía entonces que se programe una audiencia para una detención previa al juicio.
on Thursday, November 20th,
El jueves 20 de noviembre,
at 1 p.m. on the A2 docket.
a la 1 de la tarde en el listado A2.
All right, hopefully everybody could see good. We're just gonna go and give him an agua for precautionary measures. Drop one, flush one. Hey, what up, Peaks Ahead?
All right, I have reviewed the motion for pretrial detention.
What up, Cole?
Ya revisé
Got it, Beth.
este pedimento para una detención previa al juicio.
The wheelchair?
I do
Somebody
find
in a
that
wheelchair?
it is facially and legally sufficient.
Encuentro que es
that is
suficientemente legal.
For the Hardy
what up,
County
Kim?
warrant, you have a bond of $5,000.
Linda.
Tiene una
Beautiful.
fianza de $5,000 por la
Becca.
orden de arresto del condado de Jardín.
I can't hear
Local charges
nothing.
of reckless driving, you have a bond of $25,000.
En los cargos locales de manejar temerariamente tiene una fianza de
If you will.
25,000.
Can I get a if you will?
Aggravated battery on law enforcement, you'll be held no bond.
En el de agresión física con agravantes a un oficial del orden público se le va a mantener detenido sin fianza.
And the Lee County warrants, you're being held no bond.
Y en cuanto a la orden de arresto procedente
What
del
up, girl?
condado de Lee, se le va a mantener detenido sin fianza.
All right, thank you,
What
sir.
up, pretty?
Gracias,
Ricky.
señor.
Magella Fernandez Bernal.
Hey, and I'm not a TikToker. I'm just James. I'm not a content creator.
You're on a
I'm
charge
not
of
a
driving
white
while
tier.
license suspended or revoked.
I'm none of that.
Usted está aquí debido a un cargo de manejar con una licencia suspendida o revocada.
Do you have an attorney?
¿Tiene usted un abogado?
Sí.
Yes.
Who's your attorney?
¿Quién es su abogado?
That's right, Chad. If you will.
Ya me lo dijo.
My family told me about it.
Linda, Bert.
You don't know what their name is?
¿Pero no sabe cuál es su nombre?
No.
No.
Okay, then we're going to go ahead and proceed today.
Entonces vamos a proceder el día de hoy.
I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause.
Previamente yo revisé el informe policíaco y encuentro que sí existe causa razonable para su arresto.
You have a bond of $500.
Tiene una fianza de $500.
Bert, that's right.
Gracias.
Alfredo Frias Ars.
Hey, they definitely got a packed house today. Everybody's going to jail today.
Sir, you're here on a failure to care case issued by the Honorable Judge Cumbie.
Señor, usted
Alexis.
se encuentra aquí debido a una orden de arresto por parte de la honorable jueza
If you
Combi
will.
For your charges of failure to have motor vehicle liability insurance.
What up, Smoggy?
por sus cargos de no tener
We don't need no
seguro
stinking driver
de su
license.
vehículo motorizado.
Knowingly driving while license suspended or revoked.
That's right, country
No
boy.
solamente manejar con licencia suspendida o revocada
This
And
is Polk
driving under the
County.
influence, third conviction.
Third conviction.
y de manejar bajo los efectos como tercera condena.
What's up with this
Do you have an
vato?
attorney?
¿Tiene usted un abogado, señor?
No.
No.
Looks like you previously were appointed the public defender.
Sí tiene. Parece que previamente ya le habían nombrado un abogado de oficio.
I have previously reviewed the capias. There is probable cause.
Previamente ya revisé la orden de arresto y encuentro que sí existe causa razonable.
You're being held no bond.
Se le va a mantener detenido sin fianza.
You have a 5-day hearing before the judge set for the 14th, which is tomorrow.
Usted va a tener una audiencia del 5º día que está programada para el 14, que es el día de mañana, señor.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Hell no, I don't want them
Joel
deported.
Ramirez,
Hell no, keep them. Unless they got bad charges. If they got bad charges.
sir, you're here on a charge of unlawful possession
But for
of
driving
personal
for a
ID.
license?
Señor,
Come on
usted
now,
está
you're kidding
aquí
me.
por posesión ilícita de una identificación personal,
Possession of paraphernalia,
posesión de parafernalia de la droga
possession of methamphetamine.
y posesión de metanfetamina.
You have an attorney?
¿Tiene usted un abogado?
No.
No.
You like one?
¿Quiere uno,
It was his third DUI? Sheen Gators. No, bueno.
señor? ¿Quiere uno?
Nah. Who's going to do the work? I'm not going to do that work. Are you going to
Perdón?
do the work? I don't think so.
No.
No.
Okay, if you change your mind at a later time, let the judge know.
Bueno, si usted cambia de opinión, déjele saber al otro juez.
I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable causes for the non-enhanced crimes.
Previamente revisé el informe policíaco y encuentro que sí existe causa razonable para los delitos que no han sido aumentados.
You have a bond of 500 on unlawful possession of personal ID.
Tiene una fianza de $500 en el cargo de posesión ilícita de una identificación personal,
1,000 on paraphernalia,
$1,000 en el de parafernalia
5,000 on methamphetamine.
y $5,000 en el de metanfetamina.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Noel Alejandro Rivera Perez.
Hey, Jamie, thank you for the follow.
Sir, you're here on a charge of domestic violence battery.
Señor,
Why?
usted está aquí por un cargo de violencia intrafamiliar con agresión física.
You have an attorney?
¿Tiene usted un abogado?
No.
No.
You like one?
¿Quiere uno?
No sé.
Sí.
Yes.
Where are you currently employed?
Actualmente, ¿tiene usted trabajo, señor?
Haciendo DoorDash.
Doing
DoorDash.
DoorDash.
Okay, about how much do you make a week?
¿Cómo cuánto gana usted a la semana?
Anita,
Como
thank you.
600.
About
600 a week?
Do you
How
have
many
any
hours does he
dependents?
work?
¿Tiene dependientes a los que mantenga?
3.
3.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you.
Le voy a nombrar al abogado de oficio para que lo represente.
I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause.
Previamente revisé el informe policíaco y determino que sí existe causa razonable para
Brittany,
su
thank you.
arresto.
You have a bond of $5,000.
Tiene una fianza de $500.
If you are able to bond out, you will be placed on pretrial release.
Perdón, Your Honor, the interpreter needs to correct the record. The interpreter said $500 instead of $5,000, sorry.
Okay.
Señor, $5,000 de fianza, perdón.
Damn, giving out the wrong
If you are
information.
able to bond out, you will be placed on pretrial release.
Si usted sale bajo fianza, tendrá que quedar bajo la supervisión de servicios de libertad condicional.
You must report the day of or morning after your release and report every Thursday.
Usted tendrá que reportarse a esa oficina ya sea el día de su liberación o la mañana siguiente a su liberación si sale tarde y después cada jueves.
For
In
Florida?
addition to the standard conditions of pretrial release,
Adicionalmente a las condiciones de servicios de libertad condicional,
you're not to use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives.
se le prohíbe usar, poseer, portar armas de fuego, armas blancas, cuchillos o munición.
No, Marvin, I didn't. When
You
that
have no
happened?
contact with the victim directly or indirectly.
Se le prohíbe tener cualquier tipo de contacto o comunicación con la víctima, ya sea directa o indirectamente.
In person and writing by telephone, pager, fax.
En persona, por teléfono, por correo, por fax,
Did she say page?
Texting, email, social media, or through third persons.
texto, por redes sociales o a través de terceros.
You must stay 500 feet away from the victim, victim's home, vehicle, place of employment, and
500
or school
feet?
at all times.
Not 500 foot?
Tendrá que mantenerse alejado de la víctima en todo momento, por lo menos 500 pies
Is
de
this the same
distancia
judge that says foot?
de la casa de
Or
la
is this a different
víctima,
one that
su
says
vehículo,
feet?
lugar de empleo o escuela en todo momento.
She said page.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
what I thought.
Gracias, señor.
Wilson Javier
Gracias.
Romero
Thank you.
Garmendia.
No sé.
Sir, you're
No
here on a
sé.
charge of no valid driver's license.
Señor, usted está aquí por un cargo de no tener licencia válida de manejo.
Do you have an attorney?
¿Tiene usted un abogado?
Sí.
Yes.
Who's your attorney?
¿Quién es su abogado?
Oh, no tengo.
Natasha, thank you for that
Oh,
follow.
no, I don't have one.
Perdón.
Sorry.
You like one?
¿Quiere uno?
Sí.
Yes.
Are you currently
Avondale?
employed?
¿Actualmente tiene trabajo?
Oh, sí.
Yes.
How much do you make a week?
¿Cuánto gana la semana, señor?
Oh, entre 1000 y 1100.
Between 1,000 and 100.
A week?
1,100.
I'm in
Do
the
you have any
long.
dependents?
I'm in the wrong
¿Tiene
line
usted
of work.
dependientes a los que mantenga?
3.
They need to
Three.
start asking them what kind of work they
Like a
do.
public defender to represent you?
Le nombro al abogado de oficio para que lo represente.
No wonder I don't have any money.
I
They're
have
taking other
previously
good
reviewed the
jobs.
affidavit. I do find probable cause.
Previamente yo leí el informe policíaco y encuentro que sí existe causa razonable para su arresto.
You have a bond of $500, sir.
Tiene
Thank
una
you,
fianza de
Michigan.
$500, señor.
Thank you.
Gracias.
No wonder you guys want them to get deported, man. They're
Salas.
taking all the good paying jobs,
Martín
man.
Sales.
So you're here on a violation of probation for your prior charge of driving under the influence?
Señor, usted está aquí por incumplimiento de probatoria por el cargo que usted tuvo anteriormente de manejar bajo los efectos.
Do you have an attorney? Do
¿Tiene usted un abogado, señor?
No.
I need to
No.
become a translator.
you like one?
¿Quiere uno?
Sí.
Yes.
Are you currently employed?
¿Actualmente tiene usted trabajo, señor?
No, ahorita no tengo
Not at the
mucho
moment.
trabajo.
Hey, you know what's
No, no,
mind
no,
blowing
no,
about
I
this
don't
whole
have much work.
situation is
I'm going to
that
appoint the public defender to represent you.
they
Le
got
voy
no
a nombrar al
papers,
abogado de oficio para que lo represente.
they have no driver
I have
license,
previously reviewed the warrant. There is probable cause.
and they make more money
Previamente
than we
revisé el
do.
informe
Make
policíaco
that
y
make
encuentro que sí
sense.
existe causa
No wonder
razonable
you
para su
guys are
arresto.
mad about this whole
This time you're being
situation.
held no bond.
En este momento va a seguir detenido sin fianza, señor.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Ay, ay,
That's the only
ay.
names I've been given, so I don't know who else we have.
Judge Cardenas is one of the ones that was late.
Cárdenas es uno de los que llegaron tarde, su señoría.
This
Arnie.
Eduardo Cardenas Bautista.
Eduardo
Yes.
Cárdenas Bautista, sí.
Sí.
Oh,
Yes.
man.
All right, so you're here on a charge of litter over 500 pounds, commercial hazardous matter.
And what's the food throwing?
Señor, usted está
Beds
aquí por
away?
un cargo de tirar basura por encima de 500 libras de material peligroso comercial.
He must work for a big corporation because
Sí.
big corporations do
Yes.
like that. Do
Good
stuff like
afternoon, Your
that.
Honor. Shane Whitfield standing in for
What
Jose
up, Sue?
Rivas for this matter.
Buenas tardes, su señoría Shane Whitfield, parte de José Rivas en este caso.
And are you representing him for today only or for the duration of the case?
I see
¿Va
one
usted a
person sleeping.
representarlo
Where's the other
solamente
person
por el
sleeping
día de
at?
hoy?
Let me see. Oh, I see the other one right here. These are the two that I see sleeping. There might be a third one over here. I think
At this
this one
time
might
today?
be sleeping too.
En
Does any-
este
do you guys see
momento
anybody
por
else
el día de
sleeping?
hoy.
All right, Mr. Cardenas, do you intend to hire counsel for the duration of the case, or do we need to determine if you need the public defender?
Señor Cárdenas, ¿usted planea contratar a la abogada por la duración de
Oh, she
este
woke up.
caso o necesitamos determinar si
There's
usted
one, and I
necesita un
think there's
abogado
another
de
one sleeping
oficio?
right here.
Sí.
Oh,
Yes.
she's going back down.
That was a question. You have to pick one.
Señor, tiene que elegir
No
una de
sé.
las opciones. Esa fue la pregunta.
That's right, Shelby.
La voy a contratar.
We're watching people sleep in court.
¿Perdón? Your Honor, would the court repeat the question
Are
for the
you going
interpreter to repeat
to,
it?
are you going to hire the attorney to represent you for the entire case? Or
Señor,
do you need a public defender?
le pregunta a la
What is
jueza
this?
si usted va a contratar
So these
al
are job
abogado
interviews.
privado
These are the
por,
people that are
la
stealing
duración
our
de su
great
caso
paying jobs
o
here in the
necesita un
U.S.
abogado de oficio.
If that doesn't boil your blood, I don't know what will.
Un abogado de...
Un abogado de
La voy a
Public-
contratar a la...
Taking American jobs away, that belongs to
I'm
me.
going to
Voy a-
hire them.
Okay.
Voy a contratar al abogado.
I'm going to hire the lawyer.
Okay.
Muy bien.
I have
Graduation day.
previously reviewed the affidavit.
Previamente
What up,
ya
Kama?
leí el informe policiaco.
Ms. Whitfield, you had an opportunity to do so.
Digging in his crotch? Ay, ay, ay.
¿Usted tuvo oportunidad de hacer eso?
This is Polk
Well-
County, Florida. I'm still
I
distraught
have
about
your
this whole job situation. No wonder I
Sí,
can't
sí
get
lo
a good
leí.
paying
Perdón,
job.
su señoría.
I'm
I,
extra salty about that.
Any challenges?
¿Tiene alguna objeción?
No, Your Honor, we just asked for a reasonable amount of bond on this matter.
No, su señoría, simplemente estamos pidiendo una cantidad razonable de fianza.
Don't talk.
I
I
don't
love
believe the state
talking.
objects.
If you don't want to hear me talk,
Me parece que la fiscalía no
this
se
isn't the
opone.
place for you.
I have reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause.
Yo ya
the-
revisé el informe policiaco y
Hey,
encuentro
thank
que
you,
sí que existe causa razonable.
Thursday, if you will.
For the unenhanced crime.
What up, Joni?
Por el delito que no ha sido aumentado.
You have a bond of $5,000.
Tiene una fianza de $5,000, señor.
I don't provide links. You would have to
Muy
look
bien,
that. You would have to
gracias.
look for that yourself.
And I have one more. I'm not sure that's the other gentleman.
The only links I provide for are Connecticut. If you want Connecticut, you could go ahead and go to my Discord. But other than that, I don't provide any direct links.
What's your name, sir?
¿Cuál es su nombre, señor?
Heriberto Revelo.
Heriberto Ravelo.
Lisa,
Sí.
thank you for sharing.
Your Honor, for the record, Cheyenne Mitchell opinion for Jose Rivas on this matter.
Sue, thank you.
Su señoría, para las actas, estoy aquí de parte del abogado José Rivas en este caso.
Your Honor, this is a co-defendant case.
Este es un caso de un coacusado o cómplice
The previous defendant.
del previo acusado.
All right, so you're here on a charge of littering over 500 pounds, commercial hazardous
Oh,
matter.
this is crime partner.
Señor,
This is a
usted
crime
está
partner.
aquí por un cargo de tirar basura por una cantidad de más de 500 libras de material que es peligroso comercial.
Hey, what up, Panda?
Do you intend to hire private counsel for the duration of the case, or do you need the public defender?
Señor,
No.
¿usted planea contratar a la abogada privada por el resto del caso o necesita un abogado de oficio?
Contratar a la abogada por el resto del caso.
Hire the lawyer for the rest of the case.
Whoa.
I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause for the unenhanced charge.
Yo ya leí previamente el informe policiaco y determino que sí existe causa razonable para el cargo que no ha sido aumentado
And you have a bond of $5,000.
y tiene una fianza de $5,000.
Hey, what up,
Your Honor,
nurse?
that's all I have.
Thank you.
Nothing, not too much.
Thank you.
We're on the
And
Spanish
can I get
cases
your
right
name,
now.
sir?
We're on the Spanish
¿Me da
speakers,
su nombre,
if you will.
señor?
William Rivas.
What up, Scotty's wife? What up,
William
Simply
Rivas.
Kate? Welcome back again.
Rivas, you're here on a KPS issued by the Honorable Judge Flynn.
Lex, thank you.
Señor Rivas, usted se encuentra aquí el día de hoy debido a una orden de arresto que firmó el honorable juez Flynn
A violation of your pretrial release for your charge of resisting
what up,
officer
Drea?
without violence.
por incumplimiento de su libertad
Agua.
condicional que tenía por un cargo de resistir a
Got
un
it, Mom.
oficial sin violencia.
What up, D?
I see you previously were appointed the public defender.
Lex.
Veo que previamente se le nombró al abogado de
Ooh, hey,
oficio.
thank you,
I
Scotty's
have
wife.
previously reviewed the KPS. There is probable cause.
Previamente revisé esta orden de arresto y determino que sí existe causa razonable.
And this time you're being held no bond.
En este momento, señor, va a seguir detenido sin fianza.
Thank you, sir.
Gracias, señor.
Community graduation day.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Buenas tardes. ¿Hay alguna otra persona que necesite intérprete en español? Por favor, levanten la mano si es así. No response, Your Honor. May interpreter be excused?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Your Honor. May you have a good day.
Hey,
Thank
for
you.
those of you that are regulars, I highly appreciate you guys tuning in day after day.
John Sturgis, CF 248870.
For those of you that are new, welcome, but I do talk a lot. So if you don't like talking, then this probably isn't the place for you guys. I'm sure you can find somebody else doing the same thing that I'm
You're
doing.
here on a charge of violation
comedy.
of probation on your prior charge of resisting officer with violence. Mr. Michael, are you here representing for the duration of the case or for today only?
Green and
For
yellow,
a
thank
limited
you.
appearance, Your Honor, and I've reviewed the affidavit and I understand that any potential bond issues will need to be heard with the division judge.
Okay. Mr. Sturgis, is it your intent to hire a private counsel or do you want to see if you qualify for the public defender?
That's right, Scott.
Andrew is fine.
Okay. Well, if it doesn't work out, then your next court date, just let the judge know, okay?
Okay.
I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find that there is probable cause. At this time, you are going to be held no bond, sir,
Hey,
okay?
thank you, Vix.
What was the charge? Violation of probation?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And when is my
Thank-
court date?
I'm not sure, sir.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Thank you. Anything further?
That's all I have, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Hey, why are they wearing
Thank you. Have a
shorts?
good day.
I just
Thank
noticed.
you.
Do I have any other attorneys on the line?
I've never seen that. People wearing shorts in court. Is this court? What is this? Why is there so many people all together
Your
bunched
Honor,
up?
yes. Katie Horton. I'm covering for Michelle Yard on Victor Velasquez.
Are those women in the same room as men?
2024 CF 167.
Payment for Velasquez is approaching.
Why are the
Sir,
women
you're here
in
on a
blue?
violation of probation for your prior charge of burglary of a structure. Ms. Horton, is Mr. Yard, is it Mr. or Mrs. Yard?
Mrs. Yard, Michelle Yard. And I believe
Is
she has
she-
been hired for the duration of the case.
A tennis
Duration,
match?
Okay. All right. I have previously reviewed the warrant. There is probable cause, and at this time, you are being held no bond, sir, okay?
It's
All
it's
right.
my understanding that there's already a bond hearing set for Monday. I don't know if that's been docketed yet, but that's what I've been told.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge. That's all I have with you.
Thank you, Your
Thanks.
Honor.
All right. Any other private attorneys?
They're at Central Jail where there's men and women.
All right. Brian Edwards.
What up, Pepe's mom? Oh, hold on.
All right, sir, you're here on a charge of trespass, failing to leave property upon owner's order. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Like one?
Sure.
Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am, not currently.
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $1,000, sir.
What up, Patricia?
Thank
Thank
you.
you. DeMarcus George.
Hey, do they sleep in the same room?
All right, sir, you're here on a charge of domestic violence battery. Do you have an attorney?
No.
Would you like one?
Sure.
And are you currently employed?
Yes.
How much are you making a week?
About 1K.
Okay, do you have any dependents?
No.
Okay, you're not going to qualify for the public defender, so you're going to have to hire a private attorney. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause based upon the allegations contained in the affidavit and the fact that you have no priors. I am going to release you straight pretrial release. You must report the day of, the morning after your release, and report every Thursday. In addition to the standard conditions of pretrial release, you are not to use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You're to have no contact with the victim directly or indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, pager, fax, text, email, social media, or through third person. You must stay
Orange
500
County?
feet away from the victim, victim's home, vehicle, place of employment, and or school at all times. You may return to the residence one time, accompanied by law enforcement within 48 hours of your release from custody, to get your personal belongings.
Okay.
I haven't streamed
sir.
Orange County in a bit, but I have streamed it in the past. Hey, what up, Jen? How's it going? This is Florida, Polk County. Candace, you should know by now. Lineups. I'm surprised you can let that dude go. They normally don't let people go here on ROR. Or pre-trial, if you will.
Roderick Hampton?
Yes.
All right, sir, you're here on an arrest warrant issued by the Honorable Judge Williamson on charge of sale of cannabis within 1,000 feet of a church and possession of drug paraphernalia. Do you have an attorney?
I got one on my, I had a public defender on my, previous charge, my violation of
Okay.
probation.
You want a public defender on this case too?
Polk County? Damn, Tina.
It's the same person supposed to represent it.
Do you want the public defender on this case?
Yes.
Orange County, Florida.
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant. There is probable cause. You have a bond of $15,000 on the sale of cannabis and $1,000 on the possession of drug paraphernalia. Thank you, sir. Caleb Hernandez. All right, sir, you're here on a charge of domestic violence, aggravated battery on a pregnant victim. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
You like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $15,000. I also see that you're currently on
Susan.
probation in CF 25-4402. This time I am going to do an instanter warrant and want to no bond. Thank you. Enan Love,
Love. Hold on, Judge. Love, let's go.
Hey, that's awful. Why would you do that to a pregnant woman? That's just not right.
Talk to the judge first. Well, that's up to you.
you know what? He can wait to the end. I'm not dealing with him. He gets to sit there and wait.
He's gonna take a nap.
I know this.
Tase him. Pepper spray him.
F8.
Hey, Michelle, thank you
I'm
for
gonna
that.
take care of for Pelham County. Sherrod Luke.
Sherrod Luke.
Semi-block phone.
All right, Mr. Luke, you're here on a charge of domestic violence, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon.
Another one?
Mr. Gillette, stop talking. Sit down. Sit down. Get your hands out of your pants.
Yeah, get your hands out of your pants. Stop playing with
Thank
the wishing stone.
Mr. Luke, you're here on domestic violence, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon and violation of probation for your prior charges of possession of methamphetamine and possession of drug paraphernalia. Do you have an attorney, sir?
No, ma'am.
Like one?
Yes, I will.
Are you currently employed?
Not no more, not in here.
Were you employed before you were arrested?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
How much were you making a week?
Like $600.
6,000 a week?
That's because they're taking all our jobs.
600. Okay, I'm going to
That's
appoint
why
the public
he's getting
defender to
paid
represent
600.
you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $15,000 on the domestic violence aggravated battery. If you are able to bond out, you will be placed on pretrial release. You must report the day of or morning after your release and report every Thursday. In addition to the standard conditions of pretrial release, you are not to use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You are to have no contact with the victim directly or indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, pager, fax, text, email, social media, or through third persons. You must stay 500 feet away from the victim, victim's home, vehicle, place of employment, and/or school at all times. You may return to the residence one time within 48 hours of your release from custody, accompanied by law enforcement to get your personal belongings.
I got a question, Judge.
As to the violation of probation charges, you're being held no bond.
Okay, the residence is my residence, so if I get out.
Not anymore.
She had been barred from my property, so I could go back to my residence, right?
Well, if she's there, you cannot.
Seawall, thank you.
Not if she got barred by the police.
I don't know, sir. I don't have any of that information. I'm just telling you, if she's still there, then the answer is no.
Okay, thank you.
But I pay the rent.
Thank you.
But it's my
Bring
house.
Mr. Love up real quick.
I think it was a piece of paper.
Mr. Love, come on up real quick.
Oh, she gonna let this fool have
Come on.
it. Come on. Come on. The fool strolling up.
All right, sir, you're here on a failure to appear capious issued by Judge Barber.
I'll give it down.
For attempted burglary,
Not ready to go.
disorderly conduct, abduction of
I want to
contraband to a detention facility, and a new charge of trespass. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you on your new charge. I have reviewed the affidavits and warrants. There is probable cause. You have a bond of $1,000 on the trespass. You're being held no bond on the other cases.
Is he covering his ears?
All right, you done now. How you go back?
Kevin Millington,
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Oh, I don't like this guy.
Millington, you're here on a violation of probation for your prior charge of driving under the influence. Do you have an attorney?
No, I don't.
Like one?
Does he have glasses
Yes,
on?
please.
Are you currently employed?
No.
And the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant. There is probable cause. At this time, you're being held no bond, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, Aaron, thank you. Appreciate it.
Mooney,
Yes, Your Honor.
sir, you're here on an arrest warrant issued by the Honorable Judge Swenson on a charge of burglary with assault. Do you have an attorney?
No, Your Honor.
You like one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, Your Honor.
How much are you making a week?
600.
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant. I do find probable cause. State you wish to be heard.
Yes, Your Honor. Based upon
Hey,
the fact
Lisa,
that
thank
this
you.
is
Highly
a first
appreciate
degree
you, Lisa.
felony punishable by life, state would be requesting that the defendant be held no bond.
All right,
Damn,
defense,
Lisa,
would you like to be
41.
heard?
Jesus.
I actually couldn't get the specifics of it. Is it a burglary of a dwelling or conveyance? if the state knows.
And let's get up to 20,000
Residents.
taps, guys. I would highly
Residents, thank you,
appreciate
ma'am.
that.
No, I don't have any additional comments at this point.
What up, T and Co?
All right, at this time, you are going to be held no bond, sir.
Tina, thank you.
All right, thank you. Kendrell Reed.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, you're here on an arrest
Jamie.
warrant issued by the Honorable Judge Winstead
T and Co, thank you.
for a charge of burglary with assault or battery. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Nisha, damn, Nisha, where you been at?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
Boom, 20 taps,
I'm going
thank
to
you.
appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. State.
Yes, Your Honor. May I approach?
Okay.
Your Honor, this is a motion
Trish.
for pretrial detention.
Damn, Jerome,
Should
where
Your
you
Honor
been
find
hiding
this
at?
motion to be legally sufficient, state would
Spicy,
request that
thank you.
there be a pretrial detention hearing
Sue.
set for Thursday, November 20th at 1 p.m. on the A2 docket.
215 taps. Damn, Melissa, your fingers are on fire. Muy caliente. Had to make an appearance.
The
That's
date
right.
of the 20th of the,
Tina,
is
thank
this
you.
the hearing date?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
I have reviewed the motion for pretrial detention. It is legally and facially sufficient. So at this time, you are going to be held no bond, sir.
Not yet, Jerome.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
The other room is packed. They got men and women together.
Do you want to keep them on that?
You passed 20,000. Hell yeah. Thank you, guys.
Any prior pretrial release conditions that you had are still in place.
Nathan, thank you for the follow.
Adam Tharp.
Thank you, Nathan. Highly appreciate you.
Yes, ma'am.
No
So
bond is
you were here on a violation of probation. You know what you're on probation for, right?
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
No, we don't know. Tell
Do
us.
you have an attorney? Would
No, ma'am, I don't.
Nathan, thank you.
you like one?
Yes, please.
Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I
I'm
have
gonna give you a-
previously reviewed the affidavit or the warrant. I do find probable cause, and this time you're being held no bond, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Do you
Your
know
mate.
do you know a court date for me or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank
Hey,
you.
if it's lagging, you could jump over to my other stream on
All right, sir,
TikTok.
you're here on an arrest warrant issued by the Honorable Judge Cole for your charges of 2 counts of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, 1 count of child abuse without bodily harm, and 1 count of battery. Do you have an attorney?
I'm represented by the Queen of England.
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant. There is probable cause. You have a bond of $5,000 on each of the aggravated assaults, $5,000 on the child abuse, $1,000 on the battery. If you are able to bond out, you will be placed on pretrial release. You must report the day of or morning after your release. You report every Thursday. In addition to the standard conditions of pretrial release, you are not to use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives, and you can have no contact with any of the victims, directly or indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, pager, fax, text, email, social media, or through third persons. You must stay 500 feet away from the victim, victim's homes, vehicles, places of employment, and our school at all times. All right, thank you, sir.
All right, I don't believe in weapons also.
Okay, thank you. Is that for South County?
Hey, thank you, Supper Row. The queen of, I'm gonna
Is
have to clip
it for
that.
South County?
My wife showed up at the wrong time.
Dana, Annette?
I can't see nothing, James. I can't see nothing.
Joseph also.
Okay. Ma'am, you're here on a charge of tampering with physical evidence, possession of paraphernalia, possession of methamphetamine, and possession of synthetic drug. Do you have an attorney?
No.
Would you like one?
Yes.
Are you currently employed?
Damn, what the hell happened to that
Okay, I'm going to
lady?
appoint the public defender to represent you.
Ay, ay, ay.
Challenge?
Yes, ma'am. The challenge on Miss Amiss is that this is one where there is no testing for the K2. And this is, I
What
haven't
the
run into
what?
this in a while, but there is testing for all of the other drugs. And this is just the officer saying, oh, it looks like that to me. And I think there should be further clarification on whether or not they could be charged with possession of K2.
State would request 24 hours in order to
You're not missing out on nothing.
fix the conduct.
Ay. Don't do. Hey, don't do it, guys. Just turn it down. If anybody ever offers you some Crisac or some methane, just be like, nah, I don't want it.
I'm going to deny the 24-hour hold. I
Just
will
don't do it.
notate that, yes, it is odd that they did not test it, but there also were admissions by the defendant that she admitted that it was K2. So because of that, I am going to go ahead and find probable cause.
Oh, damn, that spice.
At this time, you have a bond of $5,000 on the tampering with physical evidence,
She's
$1,000
geeked
on the
out.
paraphernalia, $5,000 on the methamphetamine, and $5,000 on the synthetic drug. All right, thank you, ma'am.
I'm having a breakfast burrito.
Vanessa Andrews.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ma'am, you're here on a charge of battery with a prior conviction. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am, I do not.
Like one?
Yes, ma'am, if you would like.
Take your hands out of your shirt.
Yes, ma'am.
And are you currently employed?
No, ma'am, I'm not.
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public
Open
defender
your
to
eyes.
represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $5,000, ma'am.
So that's 500 to get out?
That's 10%. Yep.
Is that better?
Kimberly Baker?
Yes.
Can you guys
Ma'am,
see
you're
me
here on a
now?
violation of probation. You know what you're on probation for, right?
No.
Yes.
Okay. And do you have an attorney?
No.
Like one?
Yes.
Are you currently employed?
Why is she smiling like a weirdo?
Currently.
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant. There is probable cause, and at this time, you're being held no bond, ma'am.
Can I just say that I had overnighted my payment into my probation officer and I had emailed everything else that he needed. So,
She's a liar.
Okay, well, you can talk about that at your next court date.
do you know what that is?
Nope.
Okay.
Renisha Battles?
Yes.
Ms. Battles, you're here on a charge of violation of probation for your prior charge of burglary of a conveyance. Do you have an attorney? Would you like one?
Yes.
Are you currently employed?
No.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant.
Brent,
There is
thank you.
probable cause, and at this time, you're being held no bond, ma'am. Thank you. Elder Bloom,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
and you're here on a charge of violation of probation for your prior charge of entering in a closed municipal park. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Do you like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant. There is probable cause, and at this time, you're being held no bond.
Thank you.
I'm not sure. On a VOP, on an MO, can the public defender be appointed, or does that still have to go to private counsel?
That would,
Would I have to appoint Ms. Keywood?
actually, they usually, if somebody has that case, it is appointed to, is this Winter Haven?
It's Winter Haven.
Winter Haven, it's actually.
It's a Lakeland.
All right, I'm back.
It's at Lakeland.
Okay. Does it usually go to Ms. Cheatwood?
Yes.
Yes, I mean, that would typically be who they appointed.
Okay.
There's another person also that I don't.
Hey, Hector, what's up? Thank you,
All right,
Hector.
we'll appoint Gail Cheatwood. Thank you. Thank you for that catch. All right, Mallory Brenson.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Brenson, you were here on failure to appear cases by Honorable Judge Barber for possession of methamphetamine and possession of paraphernalia, and then violation of probation capias for possession of methamphetamine, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of methamphetamine, possession of drug paraphernalia, and giving false name or ID to law enforcement. Do
Nikki,
you
thank
have an
you.
attorney, ma'am?
Kimberly,
No,
thank
ma'am.
you. BJ
Like one?
Moore, thank you. Sue
Yes, ma'am.
Moore.
Are you currently
Two more.
employed?
No, ma'am.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the capiases. There is probable cause. At this time, being held no bond, but you do have a hearing scheduled for next Wednesday, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
BJ Moore, Lisa, thank you guys. Joanne, Love Bug, thank you.
Katarina Bryan,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, you're here on a charge of possession of paraphernalia and possession of methamphetamine. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
XOXO, you're welcome.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. Do you have a bond of $1,000 on the paraphernalia and $5,000 on the methamphetamine, ma'am?
Thank you.
Hey,
Are
Kama, they sleep in the
Christopher.
same room too.
Christopher.
Christopher. Oh, yeah, that's good. All right, man, you're here on violation of probation, and you know
Vic?
what you're on probation for, right?
You can
542
repeat it,
people?
ma'am.
What the
You know what
what?
you're on probation for?
You can repeat it.
I'm asking you a question. It's a yes or no.
Kind of.
Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Do you like one?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you currently employed?
Not legally. No, ma'am.
Have a seat.
Florida,
I'm
Polk
not playing
County.
games today. Have a seat.
I'm not.
No, you think you're being cute and you're not.
I'm
So
not.
sit down.
Montgomery?
Sit down.
What does that mean?
Now!
Seat.
Ooh,
Christy Clark,
she's gonna get held in
Yes, Your Honor.
contempt.
ma'am, you were here on a violation of probation for your prior charges of felony petty theft and resisting a merchant. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Do you like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
Then appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You are currently being held in no bond, ma'am. Thank you. Joni Kogan,
Not to be mean, but what kind of work could she do? Like realistically, how the hell do you commit a crime in a wheelchair? That's what I want to know.
Ms. Kogan, you're here on a charge of possession of paraphernalia and possession of methamphetamine. Do you have an attorney?
No.
Would you like one?
Yes, please.
Are you currently employed?
No.
Then appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find that there's probable cause. You have a bond of $1,000 on the paraphernalia and $5,000 on the methamphetamine, ma'am. Thank you. Elizabeth Fowler,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, you're here on violation of probation for your prior charges of possession of methamphetamine, possession of paraphernalia, and resisting officer without violence. Do you have an
Yes, ma'am.
attorney?
No, ma'am.
Like one?
Hey, is
Yes,
everybody
ma'am.
in Polk County
Are
on
you currently
methane?
employed?
Yes, ma'am.
How much are you making a week?
900.
$900
a
a week?
No, ma'am.
And do you think your job's going to hold your position for you while you're in custody?
No, ma'am. I'm on SSI.
Okay.
She don't have
I'm going
teeth,
to appoint the public defender to represent you.
and she's making
I have
$900
previously
a
reviewed
week.
the affidavit. I do find probable cause. This time you're being held no bond.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. The Ashley Graham.
Yes, ma'am.
It seems like
Ma'am,
they
you're
got the
here
all
on a
good.
violation of probation. Do you know what you're on probation for?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
You like one?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
About how much are you making a week?
1,300.
What?
Do you have any dependents?
One.
Do you think your job's going to hold your
1,300 a
position
week?
for you while you're in jail?
I almost spit the burrito out of my
I don't
mouth.
know.
Okay. Well, at this time, you don't qualify for the public defender. You can fill out an application at a later time. I have previously reviewed the warrant. I do find that there's probable cause, and at this time, you're being held no bond.
That's $48,000 a month.
Demetria Jones,
I'm over here struggling eating burritos and
ma'am, you're here on a charge of domestic violence.
Wrap with a
battery. Do
tortilla.
you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
You like one?
Yes.
Are you currently employed?
No.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find that there's probable cause. You have a bond of $5,000. If you already bond out, you will be
I
placed
know I'm
on
messing with
pretrial
you guys.
release. You must report the day of or morning after your release and report every Thursday. In addition to the standard conditions of pretrial release, you're not to use, possess, or carry any guns, weapons, firearms, or knives. You're to have no contact with the victim directly or indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, pager, fax, text, email, social media, or through third persons. You must stay 500 feet away from the victim, victim's home, vehicle, place of employment, and or school at all times. You may return to the residence one time within 48 hours of your release from custody, accompanied by law enforcement to get your personal belongings. I also see that you're currently on probation in MM 251570. At this time, I'm issuing an instanter warrant and holding you no bond. All right, thank you. Tamara Lang,
Yes.
ma'am, you are here on an Orange County warrant on a writ of bodily attachment. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a purge amount of $2,000. So if you can pay that, you can purge out. If not, we'll notify Orange County to come pick you up. If you are still here next Thursday, which will be the 20th, we'll bring you back here and most likely
Hey,
let
June,
you
thank
go,
you.
okay?
Can I ask you a question? When you say 2,000, that means the whole thing, right?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
It's not like a bond? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Taylor Lupo. All right, ma'am, you're here on a charge of possession of cannabis and possession of paraphernalia. Do you have an attorney?
I do not.
Would you like one?
Yes, please.
And are you currently employed?
What's up with
Yes.
Taylor?
How much are you making a week?
Like 600?
600?
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit.
She's
I do
making
find
like half.
probable
She's
cause.
making
You
like
have a bond of
28,000 a
$1,000 per
month.
Thank you.
Okay, so can I just clarify, please, quick? They have to come here with 1,000 cash or a bail bond and $100.
That's up to you. Maria Miranda
But
Lopez.
those are my options? No. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, you're here on a charge of resisting officer with violence, possession of drug paraphernalia, and possession of cocaine. Do you have an attorney?
No.
Would you like one?
I can, but I'm not going to be
Are you
quiet.
currently employed?
Gracias.
No.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. State, I certainly found evidence of resisting without violence,
Bella,
but I
thank you.
didn't find any definitive resisting with, other than she was aggressively moving about. I didn't see anything in the affidavit where he indicated she actually hit him or bit him or kicked him or anything
you.
like that.
Florida. This is Florida.
Your Honor, state would request 24 hours.
Okay, I'm not going to give you 24 hours, but I will find probable cause for the lesser of resisting without violence and for the other two counts. So you have a bond of 1,000 on the resisting without, 1,000 on the paraphernalia, and 5,000 on the cocaine. All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Diana Murphy. Ma'am, you're here on a violation of probation for your prior charges of petty theft and giving false ID to law enforcement. Do you have an attorney?
No.
Like one?
Yes.
Are you currently employed?
Hey, what up, make money?
No.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant. There is probable cause. So are currently being held no bond, ma'am.
Oh, snap. We got 878 people watching.
April Vaughn.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Vaughn, you are here on a charge of possession of paraphernalia and possession of methamphetamine. Do you have an attorney?
I believe so. I'm not sure. I'm on bond right now.
Okay.
I don't
Well, I
know.
know that, but these are new charges, so.
Okay. Yeah.
So do you have an attorney for these charges?
No, ma'am.
Okay, would you like one?
Yes, please.
940 now.
employed?
Shitting gators.
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you.
Hey, what is this lady in
I
jail for?
apologize, I'm being distracted by the female standing up.
What's female standing up?
Um,
Oh,
I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of 1,000 on the paraphernalia, 5,000 on the
she was
methamphetamine,
standing up.
and you are currently out on bond in CF 259233.
Hey, Lisa,
At this
thank
time,
you.
I'm revoking that bond and holding you no bond, Parker v. State.
Methany?
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Paula. Appreciate you.
Warren Aku.
Did she say Juan?
And this is one that was brought back from yesterday on a probable cause issue. And I was telling the prosecutor that I had actually received the
It's laggy.
amended affidavit, but I could not tell the difference.
You guys, I got another stream running if you guys don't want any lag. I got
Today, then, the only one, the only county's back on is the conspiracy to commit burglary.
Yes. I think our office has already been appointed.
Okay. All right. State?
Your Honor, we did receive an updated probable cause affidavit to correct the defect that was found yesterday.
at collect call from. Look up at collect call from, or you could go on YT. I also got it running on YT. At collect call from on YT.
And I do have a statute that on which Ms. Smith was relying when she made this challenge.
Hit that follow button too, por favor.
In my
It's free.
opinion, the words speak for themselves if I may approach.
Please.
Polk County, Florida.
It has to do with the wording.
This one's
of the-
better. Okay, cool.
This is a construction site, but the statute appears to be very clear about what it means to say.
What was the charge of the last girl? I think she was on methany, right?
Madam Clerk, was there already a bond and probable cause found on the trespass of the posted construction site and the resisting?
There was a tentative bond of 5,000.
No, on the other two.
Shit, hold on.
On the other
The trespass and the resisting probable cause was already found on those.
Yes, ma'am. On the trespass, I mean, it doesn't look like the, on the asterisk, was this?
I'm trying to figure out what we're here for today.
I believe it's for the trespass.
Okay,
The trespass, yeah, yes.
okay. Because
And that's what the affidavit, amended affidavit is corrected.
because that is not what this paperwork says. That's why I'm confused. Okay. Okay, so we're here for probable cause on the trespass on posted construction site.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I mean.
The guy behind him looks highly suspicious.
So let me review this again for that charge. Did you see any additional information?
This guy looks highly suspicious with them glasses. Those look like the Chomo 3000s he's wearing right there. What model glasses do you guys think that is? Are those the Chosky's 3000? Look at that. Look at them glasses. Highly suspect right there. What do you guys think that guy's there for?
Oh, so, okay.
I don't know. No say.
So he's supposed to, I think he's supposed to be here on the trespass and the add-on. Of the committing.
Gotta keep an eye out on that guy.
We have an additional affidavit for the Thursday. Because of the.
What is he here for today?
Right, the conspiracy to commit burglary and the trespass, where you need to add on to the order.
Check his hard drive. Check his hard drive.
What was found yesterday?
Pizza was found on the other two, the resisting, and then there's another charge that was attempted burglary.
Did somebody just page me? Hold on, I gotta check the pager. Everybody's impatient in that line. Nobody can stand still. Dude's methed up. Looking like Breaking Bad. Ah, he's so tired. So tired. Let me see. If you will, hey, shout out to the 323 area code. I mean, 323, the 343. Shout out. This is a working pager, so if you guys go ahead and send me a page, I'll go ahead and shout you guys out. Highly appreciate you guys. And some of you guys might be, what the hell's a pager? What ancient technology is that? Why is there different shirts? I think the dudes with the red shirts, I think they might be a little bit more dangerous, if you will, or their charges. How the hell do you get a pager, bro? I ordered it online. The 60s, 90s, old school, laughing out loud. Yeah, it works. Oh, my number's not on the screen. Oh, they took it down. Damn. But you could page me. What's the number for my pager? 213-209-0047. Once again, 213-209-0047 for the page. If you guys want to drop a page.
I apologize. I have to kick somebody out of the meeting. Mr. Levasseur,
Who's talking?
who should know better.
Oh, it's up on this one. Yeah, but on the other stream, it's not. Because I got 2 streams running right now. Hey, what up,
Mr.
Madison?
Just hang on.
Let me see. I
Apparently
am.
they
Thank you.
added
And
another
Rio.
charge onto you as well as the bring back. So we're just trying to make sure your paperwork reflects everything properly.
No, it's 213. 213.
You have that.
213-209-0047. There it is. I'll pin it right now.
Okay. Okay. So as far as the trespass on posted construction site, State, do you have anything to say regarding
What up? How's it
The-
going?
amended affidavit and the statute?
Yes, the affidavit was corrected to properly reflect the construction site as opposed to yesterday where it was relating to a commercial site.
Yeah, it's right here. Look.
I just see that it says notice no trespassing.
They did not. It was not able, as far as I can see, to change the sign. The sign said what it said, and it doesn't seem to
Oh, I
be
just
in
got a page.
accordance with the statute for a construction site. That seems to be the very narrow issue.
Love from
And just by
603?
saying, oh, it's a construction site, doesn't cure the
who sent me boobs?
problem in the affidavit.
Shout out to the
There is very,
816.
very specific language for a construction site, which says this area is a designated construction site and anyone who trespasses on this property commits a felony. I don't see that language anywhere in the affidavit. So as to the charge of trespass on a posted
Hey,
construction site.
it's Luis Harvey. Yeehaw! Thank you guys. Hey, thank you, Stash.
So that
Anthony,
count will be ROR.
Linda,
As to the
Katie,
add-on count, which
DJ
we
Rods,
do have an add-on
Steph.
count, which is conspiracy to commit burglary. I have reviewed that affidavit.
This is Polk County, Florida. This is live and direct.
I
This
do
is not
find
an
probable
AI.
cause,
This is
um,
happening in real
and you have a
time.
bond of 5,000 on that.
80085.
Previously on pre-show, or if they would, you want to keep them on that?
If you will, from the
Well, these are just
870.
He's on that for whatever he was on for. Yeah.
He's been released, so if you want to do bonds for terrorism.
He kind of looks like Blueface. What happened with the Chosky? Oh, that was sitting
I don't
down.
have case number on my thing, so I don't know if it's the same case number or not.
Today, Junior.
Any previous bonds that were imposed yesterday will remain in effect for this case as well. All right, thank you. sir.
911.
Let's hope that's the hardest one today. Joseph Amos,
Yes, ma'am.
so
For-
you're here on a charge of possession of paraphernalia and possession of methamphetamine. Do you have an attorney?
Ma'am, I was previously on bond, going to sign my bond, and
I understand that. Do you have an attorney?
no.
Would you like one?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you currently employed?
No.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. Did defense have a challenge on this?
On this, what is his
Mr.
name?
Amos?
Oh, yes, this is Joseph Amos.
Yes.
Sorry. Yes, ma'am, and the same challenges we've made on Mrs. Amos, I believe, having to
Yes.
do with the
It was all mine. I told detectives that everything in the vehicle was mine.
What?
Mr.
Damn,
Amos,
son.
I'm with the public defender's office. I'm just trying to make an argument on your part. That there
Damn,
was no
son,
testing
where'd
for
you find
K2.
this?
Yeah, everything in the vehicle was mine. It was nobody else's. It was all mine.
All right. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of 1,000 on the paraphernalia, 5,000 on the methamphetamine. You are currently out on bond in CF 25-10076. At this time, I'm revoking that bond and holding you no bond. Parker v. State.
Damn, that was taking the whole
Thank
rap.
you, sir.
Hey, love from Kent.
Gary Bailash,
Shout out to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
859.
sir, you're here on a charge of domestic violence battery with a prior conviction.
Awa.
Do you have an attorney?
No, I don't, ma'am.
Would you like one?
Better get one, yeah.
Okay. Are you going to hire one or do you need the public defender?
No, ma'am, I'm on disability and I take care of my girlfriend. She has advanced Parkinson's.
Okay. And how much do you make a week?
I don't. I'm on disability and so is she.
How much do you
She's
make a
on-
month then?
About myself, 1,200 total.
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you.
Check
I
my
have
TikTok
previously
messages.
reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $5,000, sir. Thank you.
All right, yeah, thank you.
Carl Bennett,
I knew he had some type of bad charges with them glasses.
sir, you're here on a charge of possession of paraphernalia and possession of methamphetamine. Do you have an attorney?
No.
You like one?
No.
Yeah, yes, it would.
Hey, what was the name of that guy
All right, and are you currently employed?
from Love Island?
No.
All right, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you.
The
I
little
have
fella?
previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of 1,000 on the paraphernalia and 5,000 on the methamphetamine, sir. All right, thank you.
Shout out to the
Danny
570
Vermia.
and the 870.
Sir, you're here on a charge of violation of probation for your prior charge of possession of drug paraphernalia.
Tattoo, yeah.
Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
The
Would you like
plane.
one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
Then appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant.
Yeah,
There is
Paula.
probable cause, and this time you're being held no bond, sir.
Welcome, Shore.
Thank you.
570. What up,
Danielle.
Josh?
Babinski?
Did somebody say brocha?
Yes, ma'am. How you doing today?
Fine. Sir, you're here on a charge of battery and simple assault with intent to threat to do violence. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Would you like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
How much are you making a week?
600 on auto parts dispenser.
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $5,000 per count.
LA
If you are
doesn't
able to
stream.
bond out, you will be placed on pretrial release. You must report the day of and morning after your release and report every Thursday. In
Fantasy
addition to
Island,
standard
thank you.
conditions of pretrial release, you are not to use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. And you're to have
Zeffy.
no contact with the victim directly or indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, pager, fax, text, email, social media, or through third
Did she
person.
say pager?
You must stay 500 feet away from the victim, victim's home, vehicle, place of employment, and or school at all times.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, thank you. Kevin Bragg?
Hey, that's cool. Hey, what did I say? Love Island?
I do have a challenge. on
Fantasy
this.
Island,
ready?
thank you.
Ready?
Okay, sir, you're here on a charge of trespass in a structure or conveyance, felony petty theft, third or subsequent offense, burglary of an unoccupied structure, petty theft, third or subsequent offense, and burglary of an unoccupied structure. Do you have an attorney?
How many charges I got?
5. Do you have an attorney?
God damn.
All right, that's it. I don't know where you think you are, but you are in a court of law, and I do not tolerate people cursing in my courtroom. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Damn, she scolded that fool like a little kid.
I am not going to put up with this behavior today. I hear anything like that come out of your mouth again, we're going straight into contempt of court proceedings. I'm going to ask you again, do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Would you like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
So how much you make in a week?
Oh, no, I'm not employed. No.
Damn, she's
I'm
treated
going to
that.
appoint the public defender to represent you. Your challenge?
Yes, ma'am. As to Mr. Bragg, in the probable cause statement in the 6th paragraph on the first page, it's a 2-line paragraph.
This is Florida,
Starting
yeah.
out, the criminal history check revealed that he has 3 prior theft convictions. I don't see in this affidavit where there's any more specificity, and it has been the practice that there be more than just letting somebody know that the officer said that the person had 3 prior convictions. Usually they'll put out a case number or some kind of an event number. So it's the 6th paragraph on the first page. Mr. Bragg.
Thanks.
Just to clarify, Your Honor,
This is for the second one with only the 2 counts. There's 2 affidavits. This is the affidavit with the petty theft and burglary.
Okay, see if I miss.
I will note, Your Honor, that the first affidavit does list out the statement request 24 hours to be able to correct the second affidavit to more closely match the first affidavit as it relates specifically to the prior convictions.
I'm going to rely on the first I'm not going to hold him another 24 hours. I'm going to rely on the first affidavit, which does enumerate each one and find probable cause. So I do find probable cause for the charges. You have a bond of 500 on the trespass, 5,000 on the felony petty theft, third or subsequent offense, 5,000 on the burglary, 5,000 on the petty theft, third or subsequent offense, and 5,000 on the burglary. All right, thank you, sir. Jose Carrero.
I ate already,
Sir, you're here
Tina.
on a charge of possession of paraphernalia and possession of methamphetamine. Do you have an attorney?
No.
Do you like one?
Yeah.
Are you currently employed?
I had the microphone
No.
on mute.
The public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. This is the wrong person. You have a.
Hey, Prince, thank you for coming on
you have
over
a
to
bond of
YT.
1,000 on possession of paraphernalia and 5,000 on methamphetamine, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Did she say
Travis
Anthony?
Craig.
Yes, ma'am.
This is live.
You are here on a failure to appear capious issued by the Honorable Judge Harb for fleeing or attempting to elude at high speed and driving while license suspended or revoked.
Not today, Sarah.
Looks like you have a private attorney. Do you want to proceed today without them, or do you want us to bring you back tomorrow and try to get them here?
This
I'll
hearing is
proceed today
live.
without them.
Okay. I have previously reviewed the capias. There is probable cause. You have a bond of 10,000 on the fleeing to elude and 2,000 on the driving while license suspended or revoked. All right, thank you, sir. Brian Cruz Saldana.
This is live.
All right.
I have a challenge on Mr. Cruz. He is the co-defendant with Mr. Acco
Okay, so,
with regards to.
okay, so we're
construction Site issue.
So we're here on a bring back for probable cause on the trespass
First
on
appearance.
posted construction site. And they did an add-on charge of conspiracy to commit burglary.
Yes.
So looks like you previously were appointed the public defender. I take it the challenge is going to be the same?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
State a couple more data this time, no.
Okay. Then pursuant to the statute and what was in the affidavit, I do not find probable cause on the trespass in a posted construction site, so you'll be ROR'd on that.
What?
I do find probable cause on the conspiracy to commit burglary, and you have a bond of 5,000 on that.
That
All
was
right,
stuck
thank you,
like
sir.
a dump truck.
Yes,
Definitely
I
went
got a
nowhere.
question. Oh, Judge, I'm
Yes.
sorry. How much is everything together?
I don't know. You're gonna have to add that up, sir.
Wait, could you say the amount of the charges each one again?
I don't know what you were here for yesterday. You're ROR'd on one count, and you have 5,000 on the next count.
5,000. That's 500.
Yeah.
Juan Damian.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Well, Your
All
Honor.
right, sir. You're here on a charge of domestic violence battery. Do you have
Why?
an attorney?
No,
Would you like one?
no.
Okay. If you change your mind at a later time, let the judge know, okay?
Okay.
I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. I am going to ROR you based upon the allegation contained in the affidavit. Make sure your address is correct because they're going to be sending you notifications as to your court date, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Nelson Damian.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Sir, you are here on a charge of domestic violence battery. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
You like one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, same thing, sir. If you change your mind at a later time, let the judge know. Based upon the facts contained in the affidavit, I am going to
Sideshow
ROR you
Bob.
as well. Again, make sure that you have a valid address on file because they're going to be sending you a court date to that address, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I do have a question though. Does that mean there's no bond? I'm just sort of confused. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
how can that fool see?
Ryan Eaton,
That's an
ma'am.
accident waiting to happen.
sir, you're here on a charge of domestic violence battery on person over 65 and domestic violence assault on person over 65. Do you have an attorney?
I do not.
Do you like one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you currently employed?
No, I'm
Here,
not.
right, Rio?
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of 5,000 per count. If you are able to bond out, you will be placed on pretrial release. You must report the day of or morning after your release and report every Thursday. In addition to the standard conditions of pretrial release, you're not to use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives.
Thank you
You
for
would
the
have
daily
no
heart.
contact with the victim directly or indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, pager, fax, text, email, social media, or through third persons. You must stay 500 feet away from the victim's home, vehicle, place of employment, and/or school at all times. You may return to the residence one time within 48 hours of your release from custody, accompanied by law enforcement to get your personal belongings. All right, thank you, sir.
This
Thank
is
you.
GP, yeah. So they got a
Ivan
toilet right
Melvin
there.
Resto.
That's why you keep
Yes,
on
Your
hearing
Honor.
a toilet whenever somebody
All right,
uses the
sir, you're
restroom
here
there.
on a violation of probation for your prior charges of harmful new legend drug without a prescription, possession of paraphernalia, and harmful new legend drug without a prescription.
Legend.
Do you
right.
have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
You like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant. There is probable cause. And for some reason, you must be really lucky today because Judge Harv gave you bonds. So you have a bond of 1,000 on the harmful new legend drug, 2,000 on the paraphernalia, and 1,000 on the harmful new legend drug. All right, thank you, sir.
Hey, shout out to Indiana. Thank you for the
Caleb
page.
Golden.
Highly appreciate
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
The
All
three.
right, sir, you're here on a charge of possession of paraphernalia and possession of methamphetamine. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of 1,000 on the paraphernalia and 5,000 on the methamphetamine, sir. Thank you.
Damn it, they're moving
Carl
through them
Kerr?
quick today.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you were here on an arrest warrant issued by the Honorable Judge Barber for your charges of felony petty theft, third or subsequent offense, and domestic violence, battery by strangulation. Do you have an
Strangulation?
attorney?
No, ma'am.
You like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you.
It's live. This
I
is
have
live.
previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find that there's probable cause. You have a bond of $5,000 per count. If you are able to bond out, you will be placed on pretrial release. You must report the day of or morning after your release and report every Thursday. In addition to the standard conditions of pretrial release, you'll have a curfew from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. You are not to use, possess, or carry any firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. You're to have no contact with the victim directly or indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, pager, fax, text, email, social media, or through third person. You must stay 500 feet away from the victim, victim's home, vehicle, place of employment, and or school at all times. You may return to the residence one time within 48 hours of your release from custody, accompanied by law enforcement to get your personal belongings.
Us taxpayers pay for
Oh,
them
thank you,
public
sir.
pretenders. Just like we flip,
Brandon
we pay
McLeod?
for everything.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a challenge on that when you're ready.
This is the state of Florida. This is Polk County, Florida. This is live. This is
Also
happening
bring
in real
back
time.
from Yesterday, where Miss Smith had made a challenge to probable cause.
Damn, we got 1,200 people in here,
Phone
guys.
that was-
What's the charge? All I see cellular phone portable. which I
Yes,
don't-
it had to do with, and the allegations being that he had the phone when he went into the jail and.
What'd she say? Did anybody hear what she said? I couldn't hear. What hotel is this?
There was an amended affidavit.
It's a Hotel California, if you will.
Cellular, okay, so it looks like we're here on the
Lexi, thank
challenge
you.
of cellular phone.
Oh, bots.
portable communication device.
That's correct.
Okay.
And it has to do with a county jail.
Okay,
He had a phone in the prison
Ms.
wallet?
Smith had made a challenge yesterday premised upon the statute that this was a state correctional institution.
Buff, thank you.
This was-
Hey, who in here is a bot? And who's AI? By a show of
I do
hands?
have the statute for the courts.
Are you guys real?
Review if you'd like. I may approach.
Yeah, please.
Hey, thank you for that daily heart. La güerita. I'm AI. I'm AI. I'm a bot. Real.
EA Sports. It's in the game. Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Drop a follow. Hey, thank you. Hey, thank you, Chad. Hey, if you guys could do me a favor, hit that follow button. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. Hit that follow button. It's free for you. It's free for me.
It is not, Your Honor.
I'm real.
The state has had the opportunity to review the amended affidavit, however, not what defense counsel was providing to the court.
Hey, Luis Harvey. They call me Luis Harvey, not Steve. Luis.
This is quite an interesting little caveat for just cellular phones.
AI till I make
Yes, it
it.
does.
The real deal.
Well,
Thank you,
no.
Lori. I think I'm real. Or are you real?
That's what I'm
Only
talking
somebody that
about.
was AI would say they were real to make us think. How do I do a successful life? I don't even know, man. This just happens from time to time. A bunch of people jump on. Sometimes I'll have 100 people, 200, 300 people. It just varies. You know, I'm not doing anything special. It's all you
wanna
guys.
Review this.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the statute that
Algorithm.
it is charged under, and it does
That's
appear
right.
to indicate throughout
EA Sports.
State.
It's in the game.
correctional facility.
I would note, Your Honor, that under the amended affidavit, the statute that it was amended to, the charge specific was Florida State Statute 95.22.
Okay, this isn't the amended one. Can you buy the other one? Okay, so it looks like the amended affidavit, they changed that charge to introduction of contraband into a detention facility.
Correct, which would seem appropriate.
Okay. Okay.
FYP?
Thank you, prosecutor.
Hey, how many people are here from,
I actually did not see the difference
from
in the
Polk County?
wording, in the affidavits, so it was actually in the change in the statute.
Okay, so Mr. McLeod, today, essentially, the charging
Sean.
document was changed on that one charge. It is now introduction of contraband into a detention
Tampa.
facility. For that, after reviewing the affidavit, I do find probable cause, and you have a bond of 5,000 on that one.
Canada.
Is that still F3, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
Hey, there's definitely a lot of
All
people
right,
here
Joseph
from the
Mandola?
East Coast.
Yes,
Shout out to
ma'am.
the East Coast.
So you're
Australia,
here on a charge of
upstate New York,
pretrial
Kentucky,
release condition violation
Wisconsin.
for domestic violence. Do you have an
wow.
attorney?
No, ma'am.
Like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $5,000. You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
also out on bond and pretrial release in MM 258571. At this time, I am revoking both and holding you no bond, Parker v. State. Did you wish to say something?
Yes, ma'am, ma'am, please. I was, my cell phone, when I got bonded out of jail, I was trying to erase the number on my iPhone and I'm not real savvy on it. And when I pushed it to erase it off, it called the number. I hit end right away. I promise I was not trying to call her at all on everything
Okay,
I
well,
love.
all of that was contained in the affidavit, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
The lie
Austin
detector
Metz?
test determined
Yes, Your
that
Honor.
was a lie.
Sir, you were here on a failure to appear capias issued by the Honorable Judge Griffin on a charge of defrauding a lawful urine test, new charges of fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement with lights and sirens, trespass, not in a structure or conveyance, and a violation of your pretrial release capias issued by myself on a charge of resisting officer without violence. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Would you like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
I'm not.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavits and the capiases. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $1,500 on the failure to appear capias, $5,000 on the fleeing or attempting to elude, $1,000 on the trespass, and you're currently being held no bond on the violation of pretrial release on the resisting charge.
But Your Honor,
you,
it
Your
wasn't me. It was Siri.
Corey Pittman,
Your Honor, it
ma'am.
was
you're
Cortana.
here on a violation of probation on your prior charges of burglary of an unoccupied structure, grand theft, acquire property from racketeering, and
Damn, son, where'd
conspiracy
you
to
find
violate
this?
racketeering law. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Would you like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
At this moment, ma'am, I'm not.
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant. There is probable cause, and at this time, you're being held no bond, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Darren Ramsey.
Yes, ma'am.
All I had to do was press
Sir,
the
you're
hang up
here on a
button.
violation of probation on your prior charge of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and battery, and then a new charge of battery with a prior conviction. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Polk
Would
County.
you like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ricky, thank you for the
Are you
follow.
currently employed?
Not at the moment, no.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $5,000 on the battery with a prior conviction, and you're currently being held no bond on the violation of probation charges, sir.
Thank you.
Joshua Rodriguez.
Ma'am.
All right, sir, you're here on an Orange County habeas for domestic violence. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You are being held no bond. We will notify them that you're ready for pickup. If you're still here next Thursday, which is the 20th, we're going to bring you back to determine if we're going to release you or not, okay?
Thank you.
Nobody,
Carly Stone.
they don't let anybody go in Florida.
All right, sir,
That's
you're
for
here on
sure.
a charge of driving under the influence.
Love
and
Bug, thank you.
I'm sorry, it cut out.
concealed physical evidence.
Is that McLovin?
Could
you All right. repeat that,
ma'am? I'm sorry, I didn't hear it. It cut out.
Driving under the influence and alter, destroy, conceal physical evidence. Do you have an attorney?
No, I do not.
Would you like one?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, I am.
How much you making a week?
About $1,000.
1,000 a
Okay,
week?
do you have any
That's like
dependents?
40,000 a month.
Okay, you're not going to qualify for the public defender, so you're going to have to hire an attorney. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $1,000 on the driving under the influence, $5,000 on the alter, destroy, conceal physical evidence. If you are able to bond out, you will be placed on pretrial release. You must report the day of or morning after your release and report every Thursday. In addition to the standard conditions of pretrial release, you will be subject to random urinalysis.
Hey, one of you guys is sick out there. You guys are sick. You guys need help. Bro, I know it's 4,000 a month. I was just playing with you guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you're here on a charge of battery. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
You like one?
Yes, ma'am.
You're currently employed.
No, ma'am.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $5,000. If you are able to bond out, you will be placed on pretrial release.
So you can
must
page
report
me,
the day
Buff.
of or morning after your release and report every Thursday. In addition to the standard conditions of pretrial release, you are not to use, possess,
What
or
up,
carry any
Gary?
firearms, guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. And you're to have no contact with the victim directly or indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, pager, fax, text, email, social media, or through
We
third
got the Mad
persons.
Police.
You must stay 500 feet away from the victim, victim's home, vehicle, place of employment, and or school at all times. All right, thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Randy Thrasher,
Yes, ma'am.
you're here on a charge of possession of paraphernalia, possession of methamphetamine. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Like one?
Yes, ma'am, please.
And are you currently employed?
No, ma'am, I got a job.
Okay, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the affidavit. I do find probable cause. You have a bond of $1,000 on the paraphernalia, and $5,000 on the methamphetamine, sir. Thank you. Isaiah Torres,
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
what's your name? Sir, you're here on a violation of probation for your prior charge of possession of marijuana and possession of paraphernalia. Do you have an attorney?
Yes, ma'am. I have an attorney that's currently working on my case right now.
Hey, who's
I'm
your
here-
attorney?
Mr. Wiseman in Orange County.
Hey, what up,
I'm
Hit?
here
And
for
you
a false
hired, sir,
accusation.
I need you to answer the questions. Did you already hire
pretty.
him on the violation of probation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
And
he's
do
not
you
gonna
want to
do good
proceed
in
today
jail.
Without him present, or do you want to try to get him here and bring you back tomorrow?
No, I gotta go. The dude, no, I gotta go.
I want to try to get him here
What up,
back
Toxic?
tomorrow.
Okay, Madam Clerk, can you please contact his attorney?
Hey, don't
and we
forget
will
to hit
bring
that
him back
follow.
tomorrow.
It's free.
Okay.
Your Honor, I have a question. Well, more like if I can say something.
Anything you say can and will be used against you.
Say it with your
Everything is
chest.
being recorded.
I totally understand that. Pretty much what I was gonna say is that my attorney is working on the case right now of a false accusation of assault and battery. My wife just turned in the paperwork this morning to the court. Her name is Kristen. She came in like around 8 o'clock this morning to drop off the paperwork over my case that's going on right now that's violated my probation.
Dylan, thank
I
you.
wasn't there at the certain time of the scene. When you read over my paperwork, it's gonna show.
She's not gonna read your paperwork,
But
homeboy.
yeah, I just wanted to say that to see if I can
What
get
up,
a bond
J&G?
for it because I wasn't there.
No, sir, you
and-
didn't, you said you want to wait till tomorrow, so we're bringing you back tomorrow and we're contacting your attorney.
Okay.
That's what you said you wanted to do, right?
Well, I mean, I was just gonna take the first option, but if there's another option, if
Sir,
any
sir,
way
this is a simple
possible.
question. Do you want to proceed today without your attorney, or do you want to be brought back tomorrow and have your attorney present? It's one or the other. You got two choices. Which one?
I'll take the first option.
Door number
You want
one.
to proceed today without your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, what?
And I have reviewed the warrant. I do find probable cause and you're being held no bond. All right, thank you, sir.
Hey, don't leave, guys. I got another court coming up after this one's over. Who's that guy in the back right there? And why is he just
All
sitting
right,
down?
We have Carly Christoffel.
Who's this? Oh, is this a girl? Oh, okay.
No, this is the last one because she was trying to be cute in front of everybody.
Oh, this is her. She's
I
trying to be
apologize,
cute.
All right,
Apologize.
so ma'am, you're here on a violation of probation for your prior charges of possession of paraphernalia and offering to commit prostitution. Do you have an attorney on the violation case?
She's a
I do,
streetwalker.
ma'am.
Who's
Would you
paging
like
me?
one?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you currently employed?
I'm not, ma'am.
I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I have previously reviewed the warrant. There is probable cause, and at this time you are being held no bond.
Okay, ma'am. Do you know what my court date is?
No, I don't.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys. I got another court right now. We're gonna be
All
going
right,
to.
that everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm switching
All
over right now.
thanks. Have a good
Recording
one.
in progress.
Dijeron que tenía retención con inmigración.
I'm switching over. This is Miami.
Sí, Susana.
So count one states you have an objection to.
You can introduce it, Judge, but he's got the ice hold, so we've said.
$1,000 bond, count one, and count two for resisting.
This is Judge Glazer.
$500. No, count two. What is it? Two for what?
Count five, I mean, it's 500.
Count one is $1,000.
There we go.
Two
Can you
and
guys see?
4 ROR each count.
Ok, en el cargo número 1 son $1,000 de fianza. Del 2 al 4 es libertad bajo palabra.
Count 5 is $500.
Y el cargo número 5, $500.
Have a nice day.
Tenga
Judge, we
buen
can
día.
recall Glover.
Recall Glover.
Recalling Mr. Glover. Do you have your trooper here?
I do.
Can you
Trooper
guys see the judge?
Nugent.
Yeah, right. Okay, cool. This
I
is
see
this is
her.
Miami-Dade.
Alright,
This
I'm
is
from
Judge
Orange
Glazer.
County.
She's the one that went viral a few years ago. She ran into her old schoolmate, and they hugged it out and whatnot. So this is also. Can you make it so we can see You want to see Glazer's right here?
Good
Glazer's right
afternoon
here.
again, sir. Mr. Glover, we're waiting to hear from Trooper Henning.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I was having a.
Antonio. Oh yeah, Antonio Brown. That's right.
Put on your video, please.
Yes.
Good afternoon. Can you raise your right hand and be sworn, please? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this proceeding will be the truth? If so, state I do.
I do.
Thank you. Okay, what is your name, please?
Trooper Ashley Henning,
All right.
I'm gonna have to
Let's
check
see.
out Broward.
Who do you work for?
Rio.
Florida Highway Patrol.
Thank you. Go ahead, state.
All
Hey,
right,
thank you for the
um,
follow.
were
For
you
those of
able
you
to
guys that are following.
identify the driver of the vehicle that fled?
Yes.
Okay, and who is the driver?
It's gonna be Joel Glover.
Okay, and that's the person you see in court?
Yes.
The
Okay.
cop is right here.
In the first count, you put conspiracy.
This is the
Was
cop.
that an issue with the booking? And
There
then-
was. I also had a canine officer with me. He's actually the lead on it. But it was done together.
So- Should it be a conspiracy for the grand theft of the motor vehicle or just grand theft of the motor vehicle?
Just grand theft.
All right, and then for count 2, the fleeing and eluding, you did aggravated by an unauthorized alien.
That's on the A form. It's giving me like
I
two
know.
different- Yeah, so I guess that's it with that because on like our incident report, I have the correct ones where
So
it
what's
is
the
with-
correct one? What's the right charge?
I'll tell you right now. Let me pull it up really quick.
Is it just fleeing and eluding or aggravated?
It's aggravated.
Why
I
did
say, okay, he had a crash. He crashed into a fence. Is that why?
Okay.
Yes, he completely down the owner's fence.
I'll be pissed if I was the
All right,
owner.
And I don't think there's any issues.
But I
with
can't
the
even
other
afford a
charges.
house.
I have no further questions.
It's Corey. Any questions?
The
No,
housing
sir.
market
Thank
is
you.
ridiculous.
Thank you. Count 1, there's probable cause for grand theft auto. That's a $2,500 bond. Count 2, there's probable cause for aggravated fleeing and eluding a police officer after property damage. That's $7,500 bond. Count 3, resisting an officer without violence is
Get your
$500.
money. Get your money up, pops.
Have a nice. Thank you for coming.
It's
Thanks,
expensive
Abraham.
out there. Barely even to live with my mom. It's rough out here in the calles, if you
Next
will.
is Harold.
If they took my fence
Bill
down,
Bass,
he would
page
regret
6.
it. I have 5
So
dogs.
just have a
She
detective
gators.
here on this case.
I'm from Los Angeles. I'm from LA.
Also,
born
I
and raised.
submitted to your
I
honor.
got it.
Yeah, okay.
So, Ms. Corey, she sent over to me. Maybe you should send that to Ms. Corey.
Right. So it's just, it cites the applicable Florida statutes.
Okay.
In Colorado is lit? Where, Denver?
She sent me over the use of force statute.
I can forward to Ms. Corey. Hold on.
Please do so. See if anything on this.
I'll forward it right now. Hold on.
Otherwise, it's considered an ex parte communication.
Saludos from Redlands. What up? What up, Gyro?
I mean, it's nothing. It's just statute.
Hey, in Colorado. That's right.
I
Hell
learned
yeah,
that
I
in
love
civil
LA.
court many years ago. You're going to give.
I lived in LA for 8 years.
And
Right?
when attorney gives something
San
to
Diego.
judge, they have to give it to the opposing counsel.
So, is the defendant present? Yeah. So basically, and I will send it to counsel. The state's citing to 679.6
09, which is a secured party's right to take possession after defaults. And it said that a secure party may proceed without judicial process if it proceeds without breach of the peace. So you can't breach the peace when you're repossessing a vehicle. And additionally, there are grounds for disciplinary actions if there's a commission of an act of violence or the use of force on any person except in the lawful protection of oneself or another from physical harm. So it's the state's position that there was a breach of the peace and the defendant was not authorized to use force when he was repossessing.
I was talking to other chat. I was telling that I was cutting the stream to come on over to this stream.
I also have the detective present. So detective, if you don't mind unmuting, turning on your camera.
This is not under the, is this under the criminal? This is under UC uniform
Another one?
commercial relations.
Right. So those are the, I guess, the governing statutes.
Okay. Officer, it's a deputy detective. Raise your right hand and be sworn, please. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you are going to give in this proceeding will be the truth? If so, state I do.
I do.
This lady right here?
All right. What is your name, please, and what police department?
She's a prosecutor.
I'm with the Hialeah Police Department.
Thank you.
Hey, Chubster, thank you for coming
Judge,
on
I don't
over.
know if there was any factual questions. I think it was more of the legal issue of whether or not the defendant was entitled to use force or had permission to enter the vehicle while in the process of repossessing the car.
Detective, what is the victim's first name? They gave you a stay away order with the last name and the clerk won't accept it. Do you have the victim's first name?
Yes, Luis Armando Cid Gonzalez.
Is it Luis
Órale.
Alcoyes?
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Luis Cid Gonzalez. No contact with the alleged victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through.
Why do you
third
talk
parties
so
and
much?
students 500 feet away.
What do you mean it's my
from his home,
stream?
school, and place of-
That's what I do around here.
Do you understand the stay away order?
You guys have some nerve.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Corey, any questions you have for Detective Frias?
No, Judge, I have no questions.
Oh, I had a question. What happened to the car? He said, what happened to the car? So who did you, was the victim injured?
Yes, Your Honor.
What was his injuries?
Thank you for
He
the
had
daily
small
heart.
lacerations to his hands.
What would have happened if he called Mr.
It is
if
Miami.
Mr.
This is
Yeli
Miami.
Baez called the police and you responded? Who would have you given
Please,
possession of the car
baby
to?
oil.
Well, if there's a breach of peace,
What?
that basically voids the. If there's a breach of peace, it basically voids the tow at that time or the
But
repossession.
I'm just asking if there was no breach of peace. Who had the right to have possession of that car without the breach of peace?
At that moment, if there is a breach of peace or if there's someone that's not surrendered,
Without the breach of peace, who had the right to the
This is
if
live.
there's no
This is
breach
live.
of peace, they would have the right to take the
Who is
vehicle.
they? The defendant or
repossession.
the company works for?
Correct.
Who was the car released to after he was arrested? Or was he arrested on a later date?
He was arrested on a later date.
Oh, okay. I understand. And you felt the appropriate charge for him is a burglary with an assault or battery punishable by life in prison for repossessing a vehicle for his boss?
Apex? Nah, I don't.
I did, Your Honor.
Okay, so he should spend his 23-year-old should spend the rest of his life in prison if he's found guilty. For this charge.
Damn,
What's your
son.
position for the Hialeah Police Department?
That escalated quick.
Judge, I don't think that
I don't think
the
that's right.
officer has any input in terms of the ultimate,
Damn,
Right,
son,
this
where'd
is
you
state
find
attorney's
this?
office, so I'll direct the question to you, Ms. F. This young man with no prior criminal history I should hold him with no bond on this? Is that what you're asking?
Well, Judge, I'm not the legislature. I didn't write the laws, but this satisfies the elements of the offense. There's probable cause that he committed this crime. It is a crime punishable by life.
Okay, Ms. Corey, what would you like to say?
Judge, first of all, this is not a burglary in any way, shape, or form, Judge. If they have a legal right to repossess a car, then going into the car itself is not a burglary.
Okay.
Because they have a legal right at that point. If even you take the best argument from the state that at some point when there's an issue about the keys, then that would be an unlawful touching at best.
What?
For a strong arm robbery, if he was forced to take the key. So you're saying because he had a legal right to enter the vehicle, it's not a burglary.
Correct.
But he did not have a legal right to grab the keys or scratch the victim.
Correct, not under repo law.
I understand. So the statute you provided, it's a civil, I guess the civil ramifications for violating your duty as a repossession person. Ms. F, would the state be okay if the court found probable cause for strong arm robbery?
I mean, I'll defer to the court and to the detective.
Anything else you care to say? I'm not putting you on the spot. I'm not trying to do that to you. You're just doing your job,
No, it's okay, Your Honor.
which is not easy.
I'll leave it to the court.
What the what?
Let me just look at this again, the statute. And thank you for providing Florida statute 679.609.
Damn. I couldn't imagine spending the rest of my life in prison. How many of you guys could imagine that? I can't do that time. I couldn't be able to take that right at all. Just to, man. Boss, let me see.
All right, I'll agree with
he's
your
never
argument, Ms. Corey. I think there's probable cause for a strong arm robbery. Let me just make a note here.
Right, Sunflower? Over a repo? Yup. Pobre chavo. Ese maje vale. I don't even think I can handle being cuffed. Man, it does something to you the first time, but then after that, it gets you get used to it. But I haven't been in handcuffs in over 24 years, so I could tell you this much. I definitely don't miss it, especially now since they stream everything.
Is he able to post the bond?
Not the pager.
Depending on the amount, Judge, yes. Would you do?
State, he hasn't issued any priors anymore, state.
The defendant has an open misdemeanor for resisting without violence. It was a felony that was bound
Right, Love
down
Bug?
to a misdemeanor. that
This is
set
right
for
now.
trial
This is in real time.
next month.
Where's that at? Here?
This is live.
I'm sorry, I didn't see that. It's over here. Thank you.
103,000, something around there, Judge.
Pardon me?
Do about $2,500 for a bond.
He can afford $2,500? Okay, I'll set his bond at $2,500. You also have another case on December 8th. I don't know what's going on with you, but you know, the
2,500?
police are doing their job and you gotta listen to them and obey their orders. And if you have any questions about that, you should speak to your lawyer.
Since
So
2016,
what is the
that's what's
court
up.
finding PC for? The strong
Strong
arm?
arm robbery.
This chat is so fast. You think that chat is
Thank you,
fast?
Opinion
You should see the other chat
Detective. I hope you have a nice
on
day.
the other stream I
Safety.
got. Hey, what up, Tabby Tab? Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
On the other page. Oh, okay, yeah, Paula. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, we got over 800 people watching on the
And
other
that's-
chat.
that's true.
If you're on the other chat, please hit that follow button. It's free. It's free for you. It's free for me, and it's definitely
And
going to help me grow this
Mr.
page. So if you like watching these
Billy
type of
Mike, I
streams,
don't know if you're going to continue your job as
Hit
a
that follow.
repossession person for vehicles, but you need to follow the law. You don't have a right to use force to take a vehicle from anybody. If you pick up a law violation, you will be locked in a felony. You will be locked, or actually even a misdemeanor. You would be locked up in jail until the trial. Good luck to you.
damn it. So, hey, so
And stay away from
both of my pages have the same name. If you type in @CollectCallFrom on the search
Okay.
bar, it'll come up. I also
Albert
got a
Young.
page on YT, if you
Good
will.
afternoon, sir. Mr. Young, you were arrested for
Miami-Dade.
Your Honor.
what? That's not him. Where's Mr. Young?
Bond out, bond out.
Oh, okay, thank you. Jonathan Restrepo. Oh, wait, the brother. We saw your brother before.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for trafficking in ecstasy or MDMA. Is that trafficking in cocaine? Trafficking in ecstasy? Is that trafficking in oxycodone? Trafficking in LSD? Possession of a controlled substance, it should be possession with intent to sell controlled substance. It's 2C. As it says 17 grams, possession of ketamine. It should also be possession with intent to sell ketamine and possession of a place for purposes of trafficking in a controlled substance while armed. Sir, can you afford to hire a private lawyer?
Sure.
Yes?
Yeah.
Do you work?
I do, yeah.
How much money do you make a week or every month?
It changes. I don't know exactly.
Do you have any savings in the bank?
Do I have what?
Savings in the bank or
a-
at home?
Yeah.
Do you own your home?
I live with my parents.
Okay. All right. So you want me to reset this case for tomorrow to give you an opportunity to have an attorney present in court with you?
Right. Yes, please.
Okay. So let me just review for probable cause.
So for anybody that's wondering,
So state-
I try to run these on a daily basis.
What's your argument? There's probable cause for armed trafficking in what?
That this was a
In
freaking pharmacy,
His
a
bedroom,
hood
they
pharmacy.
found a ton of drugs.
And ecstasy or Molly?
Right, as well as the money and the guns. So it'd be armed trafficking. Looks like in
His money in the shoe bank. I mean, in the
Now,
shoe
what-
box.
Yeah.
Count two. No, how much do you need to? It says 13 grams of.
He's a doctor without a
ecstasy.
license. He's definitely a good time.
There's probable cause for count one, count two, count three.
What do you mean? These have the best base ever.
Oxycodone is
You know what time it is with the CL20s.
21 grams. Count four. Count five, the LSD. You need 4 grams for LSD.
Hey, thank you for them hearts, Lisa. Appreciate you.
What's
Teresa,
else?
Tabby Tab.
Adderall.
Hot Mess
I'll use the
Express.
stamps.
I know, but here they wrote what they found in his room: 5 grams of a clear bag containing 19 Adderall. Let's see, LSD separate.
Adderall would be amphetamine.
So where's talk about LSD?
Hey, where are people gonna score now? It's definitely gonna put a dent in the market.
Oh, it says acid
So
tab.
tabs, yeah.
Didn't see that.
Mia, you're funny.
On trafficking LSD, it shows 6 and 7 are with intent to sell, not just possession. That being said, I think you should hire an attorney, sir. If you have big problems here, because an armed trafficking charge is non-bondable. And you probably should get a lawyer. I'm going to reset. I'm going to find probable cause for counts 1 through.
6, 7.
I'm sorry.
Ay. Hey, Jordan, thank you for the damn 81 roses.
Is it
Damn,
1
Jordan, gracias.
through
Good
4?
looking out. Appreciate you.
Counts 1 through 5. It's probable cause for armed trafficking in a controlled substance.
Damn, this guy's like, not only is he an arms dealer, he's a freaking street pharmacist. He has it all.
So count 6 and 7. There's probable cause.
Oh, this
for
was definitely going to go to the
possession, intent
federales.
sell.
Hey, that's pretty cool. You know,
Controlled
you can only deal with one individual if you need some arms or if you need some crack pipas. He got
And
it all.
count
It's a
8 is
one-stop.
probable cause for possession of a place for purposes of trafficking in a controlled substance.
It's a one-stop shop, if you will.
So that being said, I'll reset the case for tomorrow. Make sure you get an attorney, hire an attorney.
I stream these on
Okay.
YT. I collect call from.
Judge, we have Mr. Zuniga.
I didn't know what you said.
Mr. Zuniga.
Oh, thank you. They got the invitation. Order to appear. That's wonderful.
Does he sell snacks? He probably does. He probably had chocolate bars.
Thank you.
I'm a cop. He was
I'm
arrested
Mr.
in our
Zuniga.
city by the state.
Joining
What?
us. Hello, sir.
Eh,
Do you
eh,
speak English?
Is this Maricopa
¿Usted habla
County?
inglés?
No. Oh, damn.
Spanish.
You guys can't even see this. Hold
Yes,
on.
perfect.
They got this one, the padded room.
Hola, señor
They got this one,
Zuniga.
the loony bin. Where's this at?
Hello.
So you were arrested.
Oh, shit.
I think 7 cases.
7.
Ok, tengo aquí creo 7 casos.
I can't.
And also you're on probation, so there's a hold for you to see the division judge tomorrow.
Y
Oh, that
también
fool looks
está
like he's
usted
in
en
bad
libertad
shape.
condicional. Quiere decir que va a tener una retención porque mañana
Is
va
that
a
fool
ver
sleeping?
usted al juez que lo tiene a usted en probatoria.
I will appoint the public defender's office for you
Le voy a,
They got this from
le
the
voy a
loony
nombrar
bin.
el abogado de oficio para que lo represente a usted por todos los casos.
On case F20, we'll start with F25-24637. He's charged with possession of cocaine, tampering with evidence, and possession of drug paraphernalia.
Tenencia de cocaína, tenencia de parafernalia de droga y manipulación de evidencias, que es el caso F25-24667.
There is probable cause for the charges. I'll set a bond. Count 1,
Hell
possession
nah,
of
me and the
cocaine
joint.
is $1,000. Count 2, tampering with evidence is $2,500.
En el cargo número 1, que es tenencia de cocaína, le voy a poner $1,000 de fianza. En el cargo número
Did she say
2,
cocaína?
que es manipulación de evidencias, $2,500 de fianza.
Count 3, possession of drug paraphernalia is $500.
Cargo número 3, tenencia de parafernalia de droga, $500 de fianza.
Next is case F25-24641.
El próximo caso es F25-24641.
This is from November 12th. You were arrested for grand theft of a vehicle.
Esto fue del 12 de noviembre. Está arrestado por hurto en mayor cuantía de un vehículo.
That most likely he's going through withdrawals right now.
I found probable cause earlier for dealing in stolen property.
Antes yo fallé que había motivo fundado para
LMA for reals.
tenencia o lidiar con mercancía robada.
I'm going to set a bond in this case of $5,000.
En este caso le voy a poner fianza de $5,000.
The sad part, he's probably not going to get the help that he needs. Unless he seeks it out.
25-24642.
24642 F25.
619, thank you for the follow.
Caso.
In this case, it's from November 2nd. You are charged with armed robbery with a firearm.
Eso fue el 2 de noviembre. Está acusado de asalto a mano armada o a la fuerza.
And this was a stick-up kid?
So it says here he grabbed the hair from the driver's side of the offending vehicle, grabbed the victim's hair from the driver's side of the vehicle while holding a handgun in his other car and demanded the victim's purse. So there's probable cause.
Con un arma. Aquí pone que la agarró del pelo a la víctima por el lado del conductor y con el arma apuntó demandando que le diera su bolso. Y es un fallo que existe motivo fundado para ese cargo.
Hey, congratulations to your son.
Valentina Manzo.
Valentina Manso es la supuesta víctima. Tiene usted una orden de alejamiento.
Hey, what up, Josh?
No contact with that victim either directly or indirectly or through third parties. You must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim's home, school, and place of employment at all times.
No puede tener ningún contacto ni directo ni indirecto.
This was going to sleep for like a week straight.
Personas con esa víctima debe mantener un mínimo de 500 pies de distancia de su domicilio, de su trabajo, de donde ella esté en todo momento.
In this case, I'm going to grant the state's motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing and hold you with no bond.
En este caso, voy a concederle la moción a la fiscalía de retención sin fianza hasta
sad,
que se
Brittany,
celebre otra audiencia en el tribunal. Es una petición para detenerlo en prisión preventiva.
Brianna.
You'll see a judge tomorrow, and that judge will set a final hearing on the state's motion for pretrial detention.
Mañana le va a ver el juez que lo tiene a usted en probatoria y además va a tener pendiente la otra audiencia que le digo
Hey, you got a green cover too, Brianna?
preventiva que ha pedido la fiscalía.
Next is F25-24640. He's charged, was arrested for burglary to an unoccupied conveyance and grand theft of a firearm.
También tiene el caso F25-24640, que es hurto en mayor cuantía con un arma de fuego y allanamiento de un vehículo de... You said occupied vehicle or unoccupied?
Unoccupied conveyance. It says grand theft of a firearm with a prior conviction.
He's in a different world.
De un vehículo desocupado, pero es robo en mayor cuantía con un arma de fuego.
So I found probable cause.
Fallo que existe
For
motivo
armed-
fundado.
I found probable cause earlier for armed burglary of the vehicle because he stole from the victim's car.
Ya yo le había fallado antes que había motivo fundado para lo de robo a mano armada con un arma de fuego y le indiqué lo de la víctima.
Judge, that findings over defensive checks, and there's nothing indicating that Mr. Zuniga was ever seen in the vehicle. He's arrested 3 weeks after an alleged burglary to a vehicle. And he indicated to the police, according to the arrest form, that he had purchased the firearm. So
25 to
That he
life.
purchased
Oh
one,
yeah, I
I'm
would have
sorry.
slept for like a week
Firearm.
too. Hey, Joni, thank you
Ok,
for that.
todos esos fallos que acaba de emitir la jueza es en contra de la protesta de la defensa que alega que nadie alega que la haya visto cerca de ese vehículo. Se le arresta 3 semanas después y acerca del arma de fuego lo que se alega es que la
Love Bug,
había
thank you.
comprado.
Christy G, thank you.
What do you want the court to find?
A and
What are you
PM,
asking the
thank you.
court to find probable
Lisa,
cause for
Velma,
this?
Donnie,
Ezra?
Jordan.
So it's
Appreciate
burglary
you guys.
based upon possession of recently stolen property.
Allanamiento y tenencia
yeah.
de mercancía robada es lo que pide la fiscalía, que este tribunal falle que existe motivo fundado.
3
Count one
years?
is
That's a
probable
pretty
cause
good
for armed
lawyer.
burglary, no bond, and count two is probable cause
Lisa,
for
thank
grand theft of a firearm, $2,500 bond.
Allanamiento armado, existe motivo fundado para esa acusación y va a ser sin derecho a fianza. Y en el otro cargo también existe motivo
You guys
fundado
gave that for the
a
Daily
fianzas
Heart.
ya indicadas anteriormente.
Next is F25-24639. The charge, this is from October 27th. The charge is grand theft of a vehicle, burglary to an unoccupied conveyance, and petty theft.
Hurto mayor de vehículo, allanamiento de un vehículo ocupado y hurto en menor cuantía. Ese caso es del 27 de octubre, el caso F25-24639.
There's probable cause for the charges, $2,500 bond, count one, $2,500 count two, and count three, I'll set that at $150.
They definitely gotta give this
Existe
the
motivo
cop holding
fundado
that
para
phone
estos cargos.
or
El cargo
tablet. They
número
gotta
uno
give him
va
a
a ser
freaking
2.500 de
gimbal.
fianza. El cargo número 2, 2.500 de fianza. Cargo número 3, $150 de fianza.
That's again a hold for the division judge.
Y también de nuevo se le va a presentar ante el juez que lo tenía usted en libertad condicional.
All right, next is F25-24638. Your charges are grand theft of a vehicle, grand theft of a firearm, armed burglary to the conveyance, and petty theft.
Damn, this fool's doing
Ok, los
robberies,
próximos
shoplifting,
cargos son
strong arm
hurto mayor de
robberies.
vehículo,
Fool's like a one-man
de
crime spree.
arma de fuego, hurto en mayor cuantía y hurto en menor cuantía es el caso F25.
This guy got more charges than a CVS receipt during the holidays.
This is from October 13th.
Y este es del 13 de octubre.
His fingerprints were found on the victim's
No
vehicle.
wonder he's
He was
tired. Híjole.
Sus huellas se encontraron en
Hijo de
este
puya.
caso en el vehículo de la víctima.
Count one, grand theft of the vehicle. That's 1 minute.
He's-
Grand theft of the vehicle is $2,500. Grand theft. 1 second.
His charges are longer
Grand
than a
theft of the
Senate list.
vehicle is a $2,500 bond.
Hurto mayor de vehículo va a ser fianza de $2.500.
Count two, grand theft of the firearm is a $2,500 bond.
I
El
left
cargo
if
número
you
2, que es hurto
fell over.
mayor de un arma de fuego, van a ser $2.500 de fianza.
Count burglary to the vehicle is no bond.
Kathy B.
Allanamientos del vehículo.
List of crime
este
turns
no
out to be a
conlleva derecho a
bedtime
fianza,
story.
ese cargo.
Or petty theft. I'll set that at $150.
Y el hurto en menor cuantía, le voy a poner la fianza en $150 ese cargo.
And you'll see your judge tomorrow. I think I covered all the cases. Have a nice day.
Mañana va a ver a su juez, ¿ok? Tenga buen día.
Damn it.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Hey, that's the thing about crimes, man. Especially if you're
Next,
addicted
Cisco
to
Rodriguez on page 7. Good afternoon, sir. Do you speak English?
no
You were
sé.
arrested for possession, 2 counts of possession with intent to sell ecstasy, and 2 counts of trafficking in ecstasy, and then resisting an officer without violence. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Although, can you afford a lawyer? Can you afford to hire an attorney? The public defender's office is appointed. He's out on felony bond.
Hey, what's up, Don?
25-23105.
Miami-Dade.
So we saw the co-defendant earlier. I don't know. I got to look at this case.
Apparently, they still do. My heart aches for both families. Yeah, addiction is crazy, man. Addiction will definitely make you do some crazy stuff. Not that I've ever been addicted to anything, but from what I hear and from these stories, it's wild.
No, but I'm going to be there. So you can either put that stamp here or so we can.
I didn't realize this was such a big market, nurse. What do you think about opening up shop? Juvenile court takes longer. Did you see what I posted? No, let me see, Crystal.
Okay.
My friend got on Friday.
Let me
15
look.
years.
Any arguments in this court?
Damn, that's crazy.
Yes, Judge. Both his arrest form and the co-defendants have the same language for the October 15th. And
What a shame, since there's
30th.
Ubers
So it's not
or
clear
taxis.
who's actually conducting some sort of hand-to-hand transaction.
Definitely not worth
Well,
the
both
price.
when it mentioned defendants.
Pardon?
It says they negotiated with the defendants, plural.
They were instructed to.
15 years for robbery.
But then when it talks about what happened,
How long
it
has he been
says
home?
that the CI and the defendant conducted a hand-to-hand, but it says it on both of them.
A hand-to-hand
It's the same exact
transaction?
language
Right, it is.
pasted. So it's unclear who they're referring to for October 5th.
You want me to do what I did on hers? Just treat one like a conspiracy charge? Is that what he did?
This is Florida. Hey, Jennifer, thank you. Brattle, thank you
not
also.
Or you want me to
$1 on 1 and 2. Would that solve him?
My man got 7 years for biting a cop.
That's fine. You want to do $1 on 1 and 2 and then just find whatever problem cause they're saying.
Hey, what's up, Harley?
on
Thank
him
you.
In the last page.
Jennifer. I got 18 months, out 6 months. Hey, that's what's up. Hell yeah. Screw that, giving the prison system or the county system any of your time. Time's too valuable to be spending time in those type of places. I definitely don't miss any of those places. Not that I've been anywhere. I've never been to prison, though. Or YA. I heard YA was horrible. Super horrible. Then prison. I remember when I was in county, people would be all excited that they were going to go to prison. Yeah, I'm going to go to prison. I'm about to catch the chain. Can't wait till I get there. Really? Shit, I can't wait to go home. This is excited about going to prison, and I'm excited to go home. Was 20. I did 3.5 for stolen car. Let me see. And just follow me because I've messaged you. All right.
I don't know.
Why?
Want me to split them? Split 1 and 2 and 3 and 4?
Nah, shit, hey, you know what's better than prison and county jail? Home. That's what's better.
For $1, 1 and 2, and then standard on the rest.
Why is it trafficking? It's only 1 trafficking, isn't it? Or 2? Oh, the 2.
On the tira, what's up, Big Mike
How
310?
much for that? It's DMA and
5 years in the feds?
Because they're not saying, it's not clear who they're claiming was trafficking. What they're saying is at the end that they find 9 grams of cocaine, a gram of ecstasy.
And what to bring in the officer? He's also out on bond. I don't know if it's going
Right, so, all right, just so find possession for what they found as a result of the search at the end.
Why? What was the trafficking about?
He's being held anyways, so I don't think it's going to make much of a difference.
Can I get a flush? One. Drop one, flush one. There we go. Some are institutionalized. Yeah, I'm just glad I snapped out of it in my 20s before I was 21, 22. So at the end of the day, I didn't spend that much time.
I don't know. Count 1 and 2, I'll set that at $5,000.
40
each
years
count.
federal? Sheesh.
Count 3, 4 will be $10,000 each count. Split them. Count 5 is resisting without $500 with gold.
If you get a bad batch, it is.
And you'll see your judge
Is
tomorrow.
this
Have a nice
live?
day.
I hope so. Fed's 85%. Hey, also, guys, if you guys haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free. And I run on two
Next,
platforms,
Centeno
on TikTok
AD.
and on YT. Please follow on both. Please y gracias.
Sport,
I don't like the glasses. That's right,
Sports
Carson.
has got the holds.
I don't see a hold.
Oh, never mind. Then we'll reset it.
Set it tomorrow. It's a second refusal.
Okay.
Brooklyn AB. Hey, you know what, Brooklyn? I actually, if you don't like me speaking, I actually got another stream from the same court that I'm not commenting on. So you're more than welcome to check that one out. You could watch it in nice and quiet. People don't even post on the chat over there. And let me see how many people are watching the other stream here. I'll tell you right now. 3 people are watching. So that might be the place for you. Let me see. In Florida, if you sell someone and they pass away, you get life? Let me see. Those comments are annoying. He is hosting a live. That's right, Hoover Clips. It be like that sometimes. It be like that.
Charles, is he here or is he still, is he NBC?
Your Honor.
Refusal?
Judge will waive his presence.
Appoint the public defender's office with presence.
Dan, it is. It is. It looks a lot better.
Still some alcohol, a 12-pack beverage.
A 12-pack?
Reduce
Oh, I think
that.
this court might be over.
What?
Let me look for a
You're
different
not going to
court.
reduce the bond.
Let me see what I could
Let me look at
find.
this. If there's anything wrong recent. It's a
See
lot.
what I could find up my Oh, Judge. Oh, is she on yet?
You're okay.
Hold
You said, all right, $1,500 bond count 1, 500 count 2.
ROR 3.
Damn. I'm looking at a court right now. It looks like some dude's at court, and it looks like he's
1,500, 500, and ROR.
Yes, ma'am.
he's streaming from the Home Depot break
Appointing
room.
public defender's office and waiving presence.
Don't come into someone's live telling them. It's funny, man. People are definitely
Next,
interesting.
Julian Butler on page 9.
Tucson.
Says PCH.
No, it was NBC this morning.
Oh, they were PCH.
Yes, MC for Mr. Martinez. I miss and Mr. Butler, Your Honor.
What?
NBC for Mr. Butler and Mr. Martinez.
Mr. Butler's NBC now?
Yes.
Okay.
What the hell is
reset it for
NBC?
us.
On Jose Martinez, I did provide a judgment. And that was for,
Subscribe. Hey, thank you for real though.
yeah, F25-173.
This is Florida.
89.
So for Mr.
Shadow, what up?
Martinez, she provided a judgment that says
Let me see if I send it or not.
he has a theft with a prior conviction from October 19th of 2025. So there would be probable cause for petty theft or more convictions. He's NBC. I'll reset it for tomorrow.
Judge will waive his presence.
Okay. Appoint the public defender's office. Waive presence.
It was meats worth $67.
Set the bond at $1,500.
So these are normally people that there's normally people standing here, but there obviously there's nobody
that
here right
it?
now. They're in jail.
That's more.
Oh no.
I'm good. Bye, everyone.
Have a nice afternoon.
That's
See you tomorrow.
it, guys.
Thank you.
Paula, thank you. Hey guys, you know what? I just looked at the time. It's already 12:12. I gotta get some sleep because I gotta
Video, we're done.
I gotta sleep
got it.
tonight. I gotta work tonight. But I will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be
Recording
back.
stopped.
And I'll be able to, man, YT is 15 seconds behind. Yeah, Mike, it be like that. Hey, I do appreciate every single one of you guys that tuned in, whether you were dropping comments, whether you were tapping the screen, whether you hit the follow, whether you're a silent watcher. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And so why mother, if you go to my YT account, if you go to @CollectCall from YT, I have courts streaming throughout the day. The next court's going to start about 45 minutes, and that's going to be Maricopa County. As far as what app I use various apps. I use Microsoft Teams, I use Zoom, I use WebEx, I use web browsers. I use it all. Every court is different. As far as what you're looking for, that I can't help you with. But if you look around on Google, I'm pretty sure you'll find what you need. I do appreciate you once again. I appreciate every single one of you guys. For those of you that don't know my name is James, or at Collect Call James. If you were Collect Call James, I'm the host with the most right here at Collect Call From. We do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We do court hearings. We do board of parole hearings. We do have conversations with individuals that are currently incarcerated. As a matter of fact, hopefully in the next 10 days, is it going to be 10 days? Hopefully, like in the next 10 days, somebody's going to be getting released after being in prison for 24 years straight in the Californian system. And I am going to be doing it live. So if it cracks, I'm going to let you guys know so you guys could be ready for that, all right? And if you want to go ahead and check out his account, the individual is going to be getting out, check out From My Ashes on TikTok, From My Ashes. And he's going to be giving live updates as soon as he gets out of prison to, as far as what he's going through, his journeys, his struggles, and anything that any thoughts that he has in mind. Can't wait. Yup, get some rest for sure. I'm gonna get some sleep. Hey, thank you guys once again. Like I say, hey, I am Collect Call James. You guys are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I said right here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, we're out. A rato.